वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Let us chant these four six sutras. 1, 4, 3. Use Triyakyo Nadi.
Use Triyakyo Nadi.
Neyangovang Sthanavastri.
Neyangovangstanavastri.
Vami.
Vami.
Iti rasvascha.
Iti rasvascha.
Sheshoghi asaki.
Sheshoghi asaki.
Patisamasa eva.
Patisamasa eva.
In the last class, we discussed up to Vami, I think, right?
Yes.
The word doesn't come as Anuvritti for fourth sutra we saw. That is why we can include the compound, Pullinga, etc. we saw. Remember, we discussed Ganeshji also asked question. I think I clarified. So we'll move on now. And for Ami, use Triyakyo Nadi coming as Anuvritti. The Niti Rasvascha, we will see, we have to see.
Yes.
And a lot of explanations I have given here. One is from website and my own explanation in the form of a long summary. We'll see that. So use Triyakyo Nadi. Na iyang umang stano astri. Stri Shabda is always Strilinga. So that's why it is the exception. It is an exception. Exception to the exception. Therefore, it is Nadi Singika. Vami, what we saw in the last class. Ami Pare. Vami. So there only we saw the, I think, Vami. there Gyatavyam Asmin Sutre Stiyakyo iti Asya Anuvrittihi Asti. The previous sutra, this is not brought as Anuvritti, but here there is Anuvritti. This we discussed. Stiyakyo iti Anuvritti Asti. Therefore, Pullinga Vishayanam Shabdanam Vishaye api. They saying Pullinga Vachinam Shabdanam Vishaye Idyapi Na Yang Uvang. That is that sutra ityanena niti sanyayaha nishedaha bhavati tatapi tasya nishedasya ampratyaya parivartamana sutrena vikalpena vikalpaha na jayate. So the vikalpa is not there, va ami. So therefore vikalpa not there is, therefore you will have only one form in Pullinga. So in Pullinga, therefore Stiyakyo Nadi doesn't come as Anuvritti. Anyway, I don't want to get into it. We have already seen. You have to see from Giti Rasvascha. Now Giti Pratyaya Pare. Use Stiyakyo Nadi coming as Anuvritti. Of course, Yang Uvang Sthano api. Now, Niti Rasvascha, Niti Pratyaya Pare. Niti Pratyaya Pare, Striyakyo, Safor, Trisangeka Shabda. So, Niti Rasvascha, Rasvascha is Rasva, Rasva Shabda. Therefore, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabdanam iti. See, the Trisangeka Shabda. And Yang Uvang Sthano, Striyakyo, Ikaranta, Ukaranto, Cha. That also coming as a word. So, Niti Rasvascha, and Yang Uvang, that is also coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. Yang Uvang Sthanavastri. So, therefore, Stri Sanyaka Shabda, which is Rasva or Dirgha, whatever it is, when followed by Git Pratyaya. Of course, excepting this three Shabda. All the other Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Shabda. And Yang Sthanina Shabda, Uvang Sthanina Shabda also. So all the Shabdas are included. All the Shabdas. So therefore, Rasva Ikarantam, Rasvokarantam, Striyakyam Shabdarupam. Number one. Yang Uvang Sthano, Striyakyo, Ikaranto, Ukaranto, Shabdo. This is number two. Niti Pratyaya Pare, when followed by Niti Pratyaya, Vikalpena, Va coming as Anuvritti, Nadi Signako, Bhavataha, Va coming as Anuvritti from Va Ami, Va coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. So, therefore, Vami. Yang Uvang Sthano, Striyakyo, Ikaranto, Ukaranto. Yang Uvang Sthano, why he says Ikaranta, Ukaranta is Shri Shabda, Di Shabda. Those Shabdas are Ikaranta Shabda. Similarly, Dhru Shabda. When followed by Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya, 6477, Ajishnu Dhatu Bruvang, Yang Uvang, they get Yang Uvang Adesha. So therefore, Yang Uvang Sthano, that is connected to Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. Because this Yang Uvang Sthani Shabda, it comes for Shri, Di, etc. only for those Shabdas. They are Dhatu Jaha, born of Dhatu, Ni, etc. They are born of Dhatu. So therefore, Achi, Shnu, Dhatu, Bruvam, born of Dhatu. So they are Kridantas. and followed by Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya. So therefore, they are born of Dhatu and followed by Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya. So Shri, etc. They get Yang Uvang Adesha. This Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta and all that, we don't have this. This mainly this Yang Uvang Sthana is only for the Shabda. That is Shri, Deep, Ni, etc. Those Shabdas which are derived from the Dhatu. Rasvaika and Ukaranta, you will see those Shabdas are most probably they are from Unadi Sutra. So therefore, Yang Uvang means we have to understand. That is mainly for Shri, Ni, etc. They are Dhatu Jaha, one of Dhatus. So Kipartaya, of course, then we saw that Unadi Sutra, then we get Dirgatam, etc. Dirgadeshapa. Okay, therefore, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Shabda. Therefore, Yang Uvang connecting to Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Shabda. That is why we saw the examples for Yang Uvang Sthani. So you have to refer to Yang Uvang Sthani to understand this statement here. Yang Uvang Sthani, that very clearly we saw. Those words, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, which gets Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. There we saw the example, Shri Shabda, Bru Shabda, Ni Shabda, Di, etc. Those which are eligible to, those which gets Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha, those Shabda. And they are Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. So those Shabdas. Because the Shabdas, the Srilinga Shabda, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, get Yang Uvang Adesha by the Sutra, Achishnu Dhatu Bhura. So Dhatu is, therefore Dhatu Jaha. They're born of Dhatus. They're born of Dhatus, therefore. So that is a connection. So Yang Uvang Sthano, Striyakyu, Ikaranta, Ukaranto. And Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta Cha. So therefore, four things are talked about. Rasva Ikaranta Shabda, Rasva Ukaranta Shabda, all are Srilinga Shabda. Then Ikaranta Srilinga Shabda, which gets Yang Adesha when followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. And Dirga Ukaranta Shabda, which gets Uvang Adesha. So Srilinga Ikaranta Shabda, Srilinga Ukaranta Shabda, Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Shabda, which gets Uvang Adesha. So these four. When followed by Nit Pratyaya, they get Nadi Sanya optionally. So feminine words which ending in Rasva Ikara or Ukara, like Mati, Deno, etc. And the words ending in Dirga, Ikara or Ukara, which take Yang Uvang Adesha. So which take Yang Uvang Adesha means therefore this Dirga, Ikara, Ukara must be Dhatuja. Of course, the Dirga Ukara, we have only one Shabda, that is Bru Shabda. Bru, it is there in the very Sutra itself. Achishnu Dhatu Bru, Bruvam. Okay, that is a Bru Shabda. So that is not Dhatuja. That is not born of Dhatu. There may be other Dhatu, other Shabda, born of Dhatu possible. But we have only these known. So they get Yang Uvang Adesha option. And these four Shabdas will get Nadi Sanya when followed by Git Pratyaya optionally. So at a time only one Sanya. Either Nadi Sanya or no Nadi Sanya. So no Nadi Sanya means it will come under Gi Sanya. Sheshaha Gi. That's why Ukta Tanyaha Sheshaha. Okay. Understand 146. I hope you all understand the previous the three sutras important. We are not discussing it again because we saw it already. So
Yes.
Yang Uvang Sthana also we discussed very clearly there. So if you understand this will be understood. Otherwise, this point will not be understood. Yang Uvang, why it is connected to Ikaranta, Ukaranta. Because those alone will get. That is understanding. Okay.
Yes.
So this Nadi Sanya for this, it will trigger these sutrams. You can see the application of the derivation, application of the sutra, the derivation of Srilinga Shabda, on Nadyaha, and Nyege Am Nadyam Nibhyaha. In the sutra, you will see. We're going to see that. So, Stri Shabdam Varjagitva, Anya Ikarantaha Ukarantaha, Yang Starinaha Vang Starina Srinitya Srilinga Shabdaha. This is the meaning of the sutra. Tata Rasvaikarantaha Rasokarantaha Nitya Srilinga Shabdaha, Nit Pratyaya Pare Vikalpena Adisangikaha Bhavanti. Anaya Sutrena, Dvau Siddhanto Prochyate. Two things are talked about. Nitya Strilinga Vachinam, Ikarantanam, Ukarantanam, Yang Vangstaninam. Yang Vangstani should be connected to Ikaranta, Ukaranta. Use Triyakyo, that to that. Shabdanam. Shabdanam, Na Yang Vangstanavastri Ityanena Nadi Singyayaha. Nishede Prapte, Vartamana Sutrena Git Prate Pare Saha Nishedaha Vikalpyate. Na Yang Vangstano, it is, that's a Nisheda. But here what happens, that what is Nisheda is made an optional, when an optionality, when followed by Nit Pratyaya. That is number one. Yadi Sanya Vikalpena Bhavati. Therefore only Shri, Brudhi, etc. These Shabdas. They are all Dhatuja. Etadrishanam, Shabdanam, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, and 7, 1. Git Pratyaya. Nge, ngasi, ngasni. Pratyayeshu, pareshu, Vikalpena, Nadi Sanya Bhavanti. Yata Shri plus Nge, Vikalpena. So first is Nadi Sanyam, Svikritya, Shri plus Nge. So Shri plus Nge, Nadi Sanyam Prapnoti. Git Pratyaya Pare Vikalpena. So Nadi Sanyam Svikritya. What happens? An-Nadyaha we are going to see. An-Nadyaha. An is art. Atagama. Atagama will come for Nadi Sanyaka Shabda. So for art. Content of Nge is A. For A plus A. A plus A we know. We have seen the application of Artascha Sutra in Langlakara, right? Langlakara, remember? Aichatu. Ichati, what is the past tense? Langlarupam.
Yeah, Aichat.
Artascha Vriddhi, right?
Yeah.
You can see the application of that also here. Artascha. Atagama comes, therefore A plus A will be not. Generally, what will happen? A plus A. I only, right?
Yeah.
I only.
Yes.
In this, it's okay. But here it says this Vriddhi will happen. Artascha Vriddhi. Anyway, A plus A is I only. Not here, in some other place. Suppose it's of A, if it is E or something. Saptami Vibhakti, what will happen? Okay, yes. Saptami Vibhakti itself you take by other places. A plus E, right? What will happen? A plus E. Guna,
Yeah.
but that is
Guna.
negated. Vriddhi will happen. Right? So A plus A is I. In Saptami Vibhakti, you will see. Okay, anyway. So this is therefore I Artascha by that sutra Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. Then Shri plus I. Shri plus I. Now Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Yang Adesha Bhavati. So Shri Shabda will get Achishno Dhatu Bruvang Yang Vanga by that sutra will get Yang Adesha. So therefore, you remember Achishno Dhatu Bruvang?
Yes.
Very important. That sutra says Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare Shno is Kana Vikarana.
Yeah.
Bru is Bru. Then Dhatu is
Okay. Born out
Dhatu.
of
Born out of Dhatu.
Dhatu Sangikasya. It means a Dhatu. It is, you will see, the Dhatu, the getting Pip Pratyaya become Kridanta, right? Zero suffix. Dhatu plus Kip, you get Kridanta. Therefore, Dhatu Jaha. Dhatu Tam Na Jagati. Pibantaha. Dhatu Tam Na Jagati. We have seen, right? So it enjoys Dhatu Sanya. That is a Dhatu. Dhatu means could be a Dhatu or could be a with Kridanta Pratipadikam. Kridanta Pratipadikam is that is right from a dhatu. Dhatu plus kip pratyaya. So ni plus quip. Ni is nayati. Ni. Ni plus quip, what do you get? Ni only. Dhatuttam na jagati. Ni pratipadikam. Ikarantaha. Strilingaha. Ni is a pratipadikam. And it doesn't use up dhatuttam also. So both sanya are there. Dhatuttam. Pibantaha dhatuttam na jagati. Therefore, ni plus ajadi vakti pratyaya. Then it gets Yangvang Adesha. Similarly, Shri also. Shri Shabda already we saw. Shri Shabda also derived from Unadi Sutra. One long sutra, Unadi Sutra, tomorrow I gave. That is Dhatu is Shri Dhatu. Shring, Shaya, Shayane, from that Dhatu. Shayati Harim iti Shrihi we saw. So Shri plus Quip Pratyaya. There are also Quip Pratyaya. So therefore, Yangvang's Adesha will come for Dhatuja. If it is for Dhatuja, then it must be derived from a Dhatu by the addition of Quip Pratyaya. That is why Shri. Shri is Kibanta. Dhatuttam Najahati. Because I enjoy Dhatu Sanya, therefore Yang Adesha. Similarly, Ni, Di, etc. All those words. That is why I said Yang Vanstani is only for Dhatuja. So Dirgha Ikara, Dirgha Ukara, Yang Vanstani means Dhatuja. That's why Ikaranta, Ukaranta not. Because they are derived from some other sutra, some other pratyaya, was not Quip pratyaya. So therefore, Dirgha Ikaranta, Ukaranta getting Yam Adesha means it must have been derived from a Dhatu, Ikaranta Dhatu or Ukaranta Dhatu, plus Quip pratyaya. Because Kridanta, right? So Dirgha Ikaranta Dhatu, Dirgha Ukaranta Dhatu. From those dhatus only, the Pratipadikam would have been derived. Strilinga Pratipadikam by Quip pratyaya. So those Shabda, those Strilinga Shabda, Nitya Strilinga Shabda, when followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, in this case it is I, gets Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. Here Ikara, therefore Yang Adesha, therefore Shriya. Shriya is one form. Shriya is one form. Adi Sanyam Svikritya. Adi Sanya Bhave. Adi Sanya Yaha Bhave. Then it will get what Sanya. Now, Shri plus Nye. Because it doesn't have Nadi Sanya, therefore Atagama will not come. No Atagama here. Please note, no Atagama here. So therefore, Shri plus Ye. Nye. So Shri plus Yang Adesha gets, therefore Shriya plus Ye. A plus A. A plus A, what will happen? Is it I, no? How you get this? A plus A. What is A plus A?
I only.
Ah. A plus A is I, no? Vriddhi. Why it does not happen?
It's only Melanam only. E plus A. So
Sorry?
E. It's just.
Shriya, no. Shri. And Yakara.
Is it Melanam? How you say Melanam?
No,
Yeah,
Yang when
Makara
you
will go
add.
by Shri plus E plus A, and that Nakara will go by.
Shakara, then Yang Adesha. Yeah, Shri. It's just a Melanam. That is, yeah, that's just a Melanam. Okay. That's just a Melanam, therefore there is no.
Vriddhi
That is,
or
yes,
Guna.
that content is yeah. Okay, there's no. Okay, even okay. Suppose if it is suppose if it is A plus A, then suppose, okay, not here, I'm just asking, support.
Then Ikar.
Padantakara followed by Guna letter. Purva Pariyogo Pararupamadesha Bhavati. Okay.
Oh,
right?
Mhm.
Okay. Anyway, it's not here. I'm just that's what I thought. I mean, as you said, I didn't say that yakara. I thought yeah. Okay, I myself has thought like that. But okay, even if it is so, I'm saying a plus a will be a only, not I. Okay.
Okay.
Engi pararupam, right? Sorry, yeah. Not engi pararupam. Atogune. Sorry. 6197. Apadanta akarat. Then if guna letter follows, puro pariyogo. Pararupamade, Pararupa Sandhi, Gunadesha Bhavat, right? Anyway, but here it is not. Here just it is Melana. Nothing happens here. So A plus A is not, depend, you have to see what it is. Here it is Yakara, just Melana. Nothing happens. So for Shri A, Ashri, two Rupa. Similarly, Brudhatu will be Bruvai or Bruve. Then Rasvaikaranta Shabda. So Shri A by Nadi Singha and Shri A no Nadi Singha. Right? Okay. Rasvaikaranta Ukarantana. Sriditya Shadinga Shabdana. नदीसंज्ञायाः प्राप्तायाः sorry, अप्राप्तायाः, not प्राप्तायाः. रस्वैकारान्त उकारान्त not ordained nadi shabda by any sutra. Use triyakyo nadi is only for dirgha. So nadisanyayaha apraptayaha. Now what happens by this sutra? Vikalpena nadisanya bhavati. Apraptayaha anena sutrena git pratyaya pare vikalpena bhavati. Therefore mati and denu, for example. Mati denu etadrishanam shabdanam git pratyaya api rupadvayam jayate. Now nadisanyam svikritya mati plus nge. Nge is a and this is Srilinga Shabda. Therefore, at Agama will come. Annadhyaha. Annadhyaha Sutra is going to come. We'll see that. Annadhyaha. Annadhyaha is at. Nadi Sangika Shabdaha will get at Agama. So, A plus A, Atashtabdhi. Therefore, I. Then Mati plus I will become Mati. Ensadhi. Nadi Sangya Abhave. Then Sheshaha Gi Asaki. By that, it gets Gi Sangya. Sheshaha Gi Asaki. By that sutra, it gets Gisanya. Gisanya, then what will happen? Mati plus Nye. Ghe Ghe Giti. Ghe Ghe Giti. Gher Giti. What is Gher Giti? Giti Partaya Pare. Gisanya Kasya Shabdasya. What will happen? Gunadesha Bhavati, right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes. Hmm.
Why it doesn't happen for the Shri Shabda?
It is not.
It's a Nitya Srilinga.
It's also Srilinga only.
Yeah.
See, here we saw Shri is the form considering it as a Nadisanya, right? Nadisanya Abhave. And here it is followed by Git Pratyaya. So it is not Nadisanya here. It will not be Gisanya. Ali we have discussed Gisanya. What is Gisanya? Please see the Sutra. Sutra Pata. Sheshaha Gi Asaki. Rasvasya coming as Anuvritti. Don't forget, okay? Not for Dirga. That is why Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, all are Ukaranta only we have seen. In Pullinga itself, we have Swayambhuhu, Gramani, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda we have not seen. We are going to see that later. Gisanya is applicable for Rasvascha. Understand?
Yes.
Rasvaha coming as Anuvritti. So, Gisanya is applicable for Rasvaikaranta, Rasvukaranta Shabda, and what are not Ukta here. That way, Mati is included here. Mati is Rasvaikaranta Shabda. Right?
Yes.
Rasvaikaranta Shabda. And Pullinga, of course, Adi Shabda and all Gisanya we saw, right? That's why you get Haraye. Chaturthi, how do you get Gi, Adi plus Nye? Ari plus Ge, Ger Giti. The same thing applies here. Nadi Sanya Bave, At Agama. Nadi Sanya Bave, Ger Giti will apply. Understand? Is it clear? Yes.
Sanya
Rasvaikaranta means when we have Nadi Sanya is not there means Gi Sanya. Dirgha Ikaranta, there is no such thing at all. Nadi Sanya Abhave means you should get another Sanya. What Sanya? No Sanya. No Sanya is there. That's to do Yen Sandhi. Yeah, that's Melanam, sorry, not even Yen Sandhi, just do Melanam. Here, that's nothing happens here. Right? Understand?
Yes, Ji.
So Gi Sanya applicable for Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta. Since here we are dealing with Ikaranta, Mati Shabda, Gi Sanya, the Nadi Sanya Bhave, Atagama Bhavati. Nadi Sanya Bhave, Gi Sanya, then Ken Niti will apply. Gi Sanya Kasya Angasya, Git Prataya Pare, Gunadeshaha Angasya Gunaha, Gen Niti, the Pamati become Mate, then Ayadi something. Is it clear? Therefore, Mate, Matehe, two forms.
Okay.
Why Adishabda doesn't get two forms? It is Pullinga.
It's,
Simple.
it's not Nadi Sanya.
It's
It's
not
always a
Adisanya.
pullinga. Yeah.
Always Pullinga. Therefore, you don't get Atagama there.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes, Ji.
You know all things, but one like confusing one, you get clear understand. There's no connection with it. Okay. Why Pullinga will not? Pullinga is Pullinga. Gisanya is applicable for Rasva Shabda, but that is for, of course, both. It's mainly for Pullinga because you are extending that to that Sheshaha is there. Sheshaha Rasvaha. In fact, in the beginning, it is said Nadi Sanya is only for Dirgha Ikara Ukara. Then Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati Rasvascha. Vikalpe Nadi Sanya, because of that one, Vikalpa only, and Rasva coming as Anuvruti for Sheshagi. The Shesha is Rasvaha. Rasva anyway, Rasva Shabda doesn't get Nadi Sanya. So therefore, it is stands for Pullinga. Because of the previous sutra, Va, Vikalpena, Niti Rasvascha, Srilinga Shabda also, Rasva Ikaranta Ukaranta also get Nadi Sanya. Then Nadi Sanya Abhave, then Shesha will give it Gi Sanya. That is how it happens. Okay, that's a connection. Having defined Dirgha Ikara Ukara as Nadi Sanya, the previous sutra ordains Nadi Sanya optionally for Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda. And Rasvaha when coming as Anuvruti for Sheshaha Giyasaki. Sheshaha Giyasaki, it is Ikaranta Ukaranta for Pullinga. Now, and here since Nadi Sanya is ordained optionally, like Nadi Sanya ka Shabda, ordained Nadi Sanya optionally, it means optional means not Nadi Sanya. Therefore, that includes Srilinga Ikaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta also. And by Gis, Shesha Gis Asaki, it gets Gis Sanya. So therefore, Pullinga Shabda, we will have only one form. And Srilinga Shabda, we will have two forms. Two forms because if it is Disanya, then we get Atagama. This is Vikalpa makes all the difference. This Va, the sixth sutra is Va Niti Rasvascha. You have to read it, it's like that. Always read like that so that Niti Rasvascha alone, if you read, then it may confuse. So Va Niti Rasvascha, Va Ami, Va Niti Rasvascha. Both are Vikalpa. Since here, Srilinga Shabda only we are discussing. And Sheshaha, Srilinga Shabda, Nitya, Srilinga Shabda, Dirgha Ikara, Ukara. And because of Sheshaha and also this, here it is includes Pullinga also, Pullinga Napumsakalinga also. And Rasvaha coming here, it is Anuvruti here. So the first because of Rasvaka coming as Anuvritti, and the discussion is Striyakyo. So, Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta Srilinga Shabda, because there's Rasva coming as Anuvritti, and because of Sheshaha, what is not Ukta? Pullinga Ikaranta, Pullinga Ukaranta also. Therefore, all these are considered in this sutta. That is what Sheshaha is. That's why big Sheshaha. This is the meaning of Sheshaha to be understood very clearly. Sheshaha stands for Rasva Ikaranta, Pullinga as well as Strilinga Shabda. Okay. And Apumsakalinga also. Why Sheshaha is doesn't confine only to this, right? So Napumsakalinga Shabda, Napumsakalinga also. Napumsakalinga, Vari Shabda or Madhu Shabda you take. Varina, Madhuna. There also you get Na. Ta is replaced by Na. That we saw, that is Ta Na Astriyam by that sutra, right? Vari, not Vari, Vari or Madhu. They get Na Adesha. Ta is replaced by Na. When it will replace by, that Pratyaya Ta is replaced by Na, when the Pratipadikam enjoys Gisingha. Okay, therefore Sheshaha covers everything. Ukta Tanyaha, what is not said above, remaining, everything. So what are the remaining? It includes other linga also, in addition to Strilinga, Rasvaikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga. Okay. I've written the summary, a long summary, you can see that. Then Yevam, Denu Shabdasya, Chaturthi Ekvachanasya, Dve Rupe Bhavata, Denu, Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda. So it will have two forms. One form by Nadi Sanya, other form by Sheshaha Giyasaki, by that Gisanya it gets to another form. So Dhenave, Denu will get Deno, then Ayadi Sandhi, Dhenave. Dhenvai by Denu plus Ye, Atagama, then Dhenvai, Dhenave, two forms. Visheshaha, yes. Rasvaikaranta Shabdanam, Rasvaikaranta Shabdanam, Cha Sheshaha Gi Asaki Ityanena, Nityam Gi Sanya Bhavati. Nityam Gi Sanya Bhavati. Nit Prate Pare Etesha Madi Sanya, Vikalpena Vidiyate. The previous sutra. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is ordained optionally. Therefore, where Nadi Sanya, Yatra Nadi Sanya Bhavati, Tatra Eka Sanyadikarasya Karanat Gi Sanyayaha Nishedaha Bhavati iti Smartavyam. Only one Sanya at a time. Either Nadi Sanya or Gi Sanya. Kasya Pishabdasya Samana Kale Gi Sanya Data Nadi Sanya Na Bhavitum Argati. We know because Akadarat Eka Sanya. Ataha Nadi Sanyayaha Vidanam Eva Gi Sanyayaha Nishedam Karayati. So Nadi Sanya is there, Gi Sanya will not be there. Gi Sanya is there, Nadi Sanya will not be there. Then what is the Vikalpa? Vikalpa means at a time only one Sanya, therefore two forms you will have. One is by Nadi, other one is by Gi. Jnatavyam. Stri Shabdasya, use Striyakyo Nadi. Ityane Nadi Sanya Bhavati. Stri Shabda. But also that declension we will see Stri Shabda. Na yang vang Sthanavastri Ityanena, Tasya Nishedha Pina Bhavati. Stri Shabda, it is also, you see, that is Stri Shabda also Unadi Shabda only. That like Shri, but that doesn't get that even though it gets Yangvang Adesha. It gets Yangvang Adesha because it is also Dhatuja. We will see that Stri later. Stri Shabda, it is derived from the Unadi, the Sutra. Stay Shabda Sangata Yogo. The Nibhadigana, we have this Dhatu. From that we get this form Stri Shabda. Then you get Ni Pratyaya. Of course, you get add for Shrilinga, you get Ni Pratyaya. We will see that later. The Stri. So that Stri Shabda, that gets Iyangvang Adesha. That is not negated. Na Iyangvang Sthano. Astri is there. So even though it gets Iyangvang Adesha, but it will be considered to be Adi Shabda only. That's why Astri, negation to negation. Therefore, Adi Sanya is not negated for Stri. Vartamana Sutra api Astri iti anuvritti kriyate. Therefore, Strilinga is Stri Shabda is always Strilinga. Shesha, therefore, Vartamana Sutrena Astri iti anuvritti bhavati. Therefore, Nit Pratyaya pare Adi Sanyana vikalpyate. When Nit Pratyaya follows, Adi Sanya is not ordained optionally. Therefore, Nit Pratyaya pare also it will enjoy only Adi Sanya. Nitya eva vartate. Niti Pratyaya pare Sri Shabdasya Niti Pratyaya pare Sri Shabdasya Adi Sanya Nitya eva vartate. Ataha Stri plus Nye. You get Striyai. Stri Shabda, like it is like Shri Shabda only, but Shri Shabda vikalpyate. But Stri Shabda no vikalpaha because Astri is there. Astri is always understood. So therefore, Niti Rasvascha, Niti Rasvascha, Nit Pratyaya pare vikalpena, Niti Rasvascha, that Niti Rasvascha is for Rasva, not for here. This Vartamana Sutrena is, that is Vartamana Sutrena api Astri iti anuvritti kriyate. Ataha Vartamana Sutrena Nit Pratyaya pare Stri Shabdasya Adi Sanya na vikalpyate. Adi Sanya is not an optionality for Stri Shabda. Stri Shabda always Nadi only. Therefore, when Nit Pratyaya follows, unlike Shri Shabda has two forms. Shri Shabda is Dhatuja. And Stri Shabda is derived from a Dhatu, but not Kip Pratyaya. Okay, that's the difference. Stri Pratyaya is derived from a Dhatu. We will see that Dhatu from the Vadigana. Later we will explain that. But it is not Kip Pratyaya. There we add a Ni Pratyaya and Yaseti Chanda will apply, then you get Stri Shabda. Even though it is not Dhatuja. It is not Dhatuja. But it is Ikaranta Shabda. Therefore, Nit Pratyaya pare, what will happen? Nit Pratyaya pare. Shri Shabda Nitya Nadi Sanya eva vartate. Therefore, Stri plus Nye, what will happen? As you did in Shri Shabda, Shriyai you get. Shriyai you get by Anadyaha. Similarly, here also it will get Atagama. Shri Shabda enjoying Nadi Sanya will get Shriyai. Similarly, Stri Shabda also will enjoy Nadi Sanya, you get Striyai. Because it is Nitya Srilinga Shabda, because of Astri in the Sutram. Astri is understood throughout. Na Iyangvang Asthana Astri, from that Astri coming as Anuvritti. So excluding Stri Shabda. So even though when followed by Nit Pratyaya, Stri Shabda will not enjoy Nadi Sanya. Sorry, Stri Shabda will not Vikalpena Nadi Sanya. So it will enjoy always Nadi Sanya. Therefore, Anadyaha will apply. So it will not give up its Nadi Sanya Kattvam anytime. Okay. It always it enjoys a Sanya, Nadi Sanya. Therefore, Striyai only is a Rupa. Na Vikalpete.
Here
Yes.
Atagama will come, then Nadi Sanya.
Yes, Nadi Sanya will come. Therefore, only it gets Striyai. Yes. Always Nadi Sanya. Sri Shabda, always Nadi Sanya. Niti Rasvascha, by the previous sutra also, you can see the sutra pata, Niti Rasvascha says, accepting the Sri Shabda. Rasvascha also for Rasva. So Astri coming as Anuvrutti, excepting for the Srilinga Shabda. As we saw Shri Shabdas, two forms by the sixth sutra, Niti Rasvascha, Shriyai, Shriye. Like that, Stri Shabda will not have two forms. Why? Because it is Nitya Strilinga Ikaranta Shabda, Stri Shabda. Even though it gets Yang Vang Adesha also. Okay. Even though it gets Yang Vang Adesha.
Strilinga
will not.
Shabda, no, it
Hmm.
won't get here, no, as three.
Na Yang. Yeah. Strilinga Shabda. No, the Yang Vango says, Na Yang Vango, except for Stri. If it gets Yang Adesha, then it is, Nadi Sanya is negated, right? That is not applicable for Stri Shabda. That is not because Stri Shabda, anyway, Stri Shabda gets Yang Adesha. It gets Uvang Adesha. How we say Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha? Okay, what is the Stri plus Ta? What do you get? Tritiya Bhakti. Stri plus Ta Pratyaya.
Striya.
Stri. Stri plus Ta is.
Adhe Sutra. Striya.
Yeah, Stri plus E. That is Yang Adesha, right? Stri plus A. How we get? E getting Yakara Adesha. Yes. Striya only you get. Therefore, Yang Adesha it gets not here, but in other, when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows by Achishno Dhatu Bhruvam, right? By Achishno Dhatu Bhruvam or some other sutra. No, that another sutra is a Striyaha. Okay. I think I understand your confusion. That's we'll see that sutra. Stri Shabda is a special Shabda. 6477 you see. 6477 is only Yang.
79 you have given.
79. Yeah, 79 it will apply. Striyaha one sutram is there.
Ajadi Pratyay Pare Yang Adesha Prapnati.
The 6477 is the main sutra, but after that 6479 sutra is the Striyaha. Striyaha Shabda also will get Yang Vang Adesha. Okay. So therefore, Stri plus Ta. Ta is Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. You can see 79. So Stri Shabda gets Yang Vang Adesha when followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. Even though it gets Yang Vang Adesha, Na Yang Vang by that, Padisanya is not negated. That is why Astri is there in the Sutra. Okay. So when Nit Pratyaya follows, what will happen? Will it be given an optionality of Nadisanya? No. Always Nadi only. Therefore, only one form when Nit Pratyaya follows. That is why Striyai form. Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam is Striyai. Understand?
Yes.
And Panchami Striyaha, and Saptami Striyamiti. Rupam. Is it clear?
Okay.
Striyaha, okay, the sutra we have not seen. We have seen only 6477, and that too in Swadigara, and we are going to see Striyaha. Or we have seen. I think we have not seen. We are going to see Striyaha, the sutra. Okay, therefore, Stri plus Nye. No Vikalpa here. A Stri to be understood, excepting for Stri. Niti Rasvascha. Niti Vagiti. Rasvascha leave it. Rasvascha also for Rasva. It means for Dirga also it understood, right? Niti Rasva. Dirga is by Ustriyakyo Nadi. Nadi Sanyakasya Shabdasya Nitya Srilinga Shabdasya. If it Nadi Sanyakasya then Nit Pratyaya Pare. Vikalpa Nadi Sanya Bhavati. So Nadi that is Nadi coming as Anuvrutti, right? Use Triyakyo Nadi. Niti Rasvascha, when Nit Pratyaya follows, getting Nadi Sanya optionally. Of course, it is not for Dirgha Ikara because Nadi Sanya already is Nadi Sanya. Why Vikalpa for that? Therefore, we have to understand it is for Rasva, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. So Dirgha for, then Dirgha for what? The Shri Shabda, Stri Shabda, etc. Stri Shabda anyway, Astri, that is excluded. That is one thing which is excluded in all the sutra. Stri Shabda is always Nitya Strilinga Shabda, Nadi Singha Shabda only. What about Shri here? Shri, it is Ikaranta Shabda. Shri Shabda, it is Ikaranta Shabda. By Vagniti Rasvascha, Vikalpe Nadi Singha Bhavati. By this sutra, those shabdas which are Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta. All the four are included. All the four shabdas. That's why I said all the four shabdas. Rasva Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabda, Rasva Ukaranta, Strilinga Shabda, Dirgha Ikaranta, Nitya Strilinga Shabda, which can get Yang Adesha, Dirgha Ukaranta Strilinga Shabda, which can get Uvang Adesha, which are negated Nadi Sanya by the fourth sutram, by Vagniti Rasvascha, an optionality is given. Therefore, Shri Shabda, we have two forms. One is by Nadi Sanya, other one is no Nadi Sanya. And the case of Rasva Shabda, either Nadi Sanya or Ji Sanya, it gets Mati Shabda. Then Stri Shabda, all the time it enjoys Nadi Sanya only. Therefore, even though it gets Inga Adesha, Uvanga Adesha, continues to enjoy Nadi Sanya only. Therefore, Vagniti Rasvascha not applicable. Therefore, Ataha Nit Pratyaya Pare Stri Shabdasya Nadi Sanya Nitya Eva Vartate. Therefore, only one form. Anadhyaha will apply. Then Atashta Vriddhihi Striyai Iti Rupam. You will see the forms later. Just note this. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji. Clear.
It is little complicated, but summary you can see. Summary written you can see that. Nit Pratyaya Pare Yang Uvang Sthaninam Nitya Srilinga Shabdana Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati. See, individually you may find difficult to understand, but summary is very it's given very simple words. When Nit Pratyaya follows, Dirgha Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, which can get Yang Uvang Adesha, they get Nadi Sanya optionally. So for this sutra, we have to understand Shri, Di, Ni, all those Shabdas. Then Nit Pratyaya Pare, Rasva Ikaranta. So here, it is not Nadi, Dirgha, Ikara, Ukara, that is Nadi Shabda and all. I mean, Nadi means I'm talking about very particular Nadi, Nadi, Gauri. Okay, Nadi, Gauri, Akshogini, Anguli, Atavi, not those Shabdas. Those Shabdas are not Dhatuja. They will not get Yang Uvang Adesha. Those which get Yang Uvang Adesha, it means they must be derived from a Dhatu. That is why I said, you can remember for this, Shri, Ni, Bru, etc. Those Shabdas only. Okay. Don't consider that no, Kadambari, Grigini, Nadi, no, those Shabdas. Chamu or Ukaranta Shabda. Chamu, they are Nitya Srilinga Shabda. They don't get Yang Uvang Adesha. So Yang Uvang Adesha means Shri, Ni, Di, Bru, those Shabdas. Nit Pratyaya Pare Vikalpena Nadi Sanya, which was denied Nadi Sanya by the fourth sutra, Nang Yang Uvang Sthano, it is given an optionality. Okay. Then Nit Pratyaya follows, and Rasvikaranta Ukaranta Nitya Srilinga Shabda Vikalpena Nadi Sanyam Prapnoti. Nadi Sanya previously ordained only for Dirgha, Ikara, Ukara, now ordained optionally for optionally when Nit Pratyaya follows. This is number 2.
For example, Mati and Dhenu we can.
Yes, Mati, Dhenu, etc. Rasvikaranta Udaharanani, Mati, Gati, Buddhi, etc. Rasvokaranta Udaharanani, Dhenu, Tanu, Rajju, etc. Okay. The outcome of the sutra is this. This is what it says. Of course, Stri Shabda Nitya Srilinga Shabda, even though it gets Iyang Uvang Adesha, when Nit Pratyaya follows, that Vikalpa is there, that Vikalpa is not there for Sri Shabda. Nitya, always it is. Sri Shabda is always, it is also derived from a Dhatu, but of course, not Kip Pratyaya. Some other Pratyaya it's applied. It's therefore, you get Nadi Sanya always. That is why Astri, negation to negation is there throughout. Sri Shabda, if you read the Sutra, always it is given in negation only. Astri for all. Astri means it is Nadi Sanya. That Astri as Anuvritti for all the sutras, right? For all the sutra. Therefore, Astri means it is Nadi. Stri is Nadi. By any of the sutra following, Stri Shabda will not be denied Nadi Sanya or will not be given an optionality Nadi Sanya. Therefore, it falls into the main sutra, use Triyakyo Nadi. Therefore, Stri Shabda is Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Even though it gets Iyang Uvang Adesha when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, like Tritiya Bhakti, etc. Right? Ta, etc. That's why you get Striya. Okay. Then you get, okay, this is, you can see the table. Simple, this is, you can, summary. Dirgha Ikaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta, Nitya Srilinga Shabdana, Esham Iyang Uvang Adesha na bhavati. That will get what Sanya? Combine the Sutra 3 and 4. Combining the Sutra 3 and 4. Use Triyakya Nadi and Na Iyang Uvang Sthana Vastri. Combining these two. You understand? First you combine these two. What is the output you get? Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, which do not get Iyang Uvang Adesha, will enjoy what Sanya?
Nadi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya. So Nadi, Gauri, Nari, Panchavati, Patni, etc. All those Shabdas. What about Shri Shabda, Di Shabda, Ni Shabda, etc.? They also Ikaranta only, Ukaranta only, Guru and all, right? They are not Srilinga Shabda? Yes, they are Srilinga Shabda. Nitya Srilinga Shabda. But they get what Adesha when followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya? Uvang Adesha, Iyang Uvang Adesha, right?
Yeah.
Therefore it is, they are denied,
Not Nadi
They are
Sanya.
not Nadi.
Not Nadi Sanya.
not Nadi. They are denied Nadi Sanya. Understand? Because they are denied the Nadi, will it get Gisanya?
No.
Oh, why? Because Gisanya only for?
Rasva.
Exactly. Rasva Shabda only. Because Shesha, then we can extend to other lingas, right?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
Ari, etc. Ari is Pulinga, okay. And of
So
course,
Strilinga Shabda, when it doesn't get Iyang Uvang Adesha, that time it will be called as Nadi Sanya.
Nadi, yes, exactly. So what
When
Shabdas will
followed-
not?
Huh?
Huh? Yeah, but it's
When
complete.
followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, that time only it doesn't take Nadi Sanya.
When followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, when doesn't take Iyang Uvang Adesha, then only it gets Nadi Sanya. If it takes, then it is Nadi Sanya is denied for it.
Okay.
So which Shabdas will get Iyang Uvang Adesha? Those Shabdas which are derived from a Dhatu. Dhatuja.
Dhatuja.
Therefore, Shri, Di, etc., those Shabdas only. That is why in the table it is that distinction is given. For the Nadi Sangika, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Gauri, Nadi, Kumari, etc. What about for these Shri, Di, they are all Dhatuja. Stri Shabdam Marjagitva, Stri Shabda, excepting Stri Shabda. You understand Stri Shabda is Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Nadi Sangika Shabda only. Okay, so for exclude that. So Sri Shabdam Marjagitva, Anye Dirgha Ikaranta Ukaranta, Nitya Srilinga Shabda. So for Shri, Di and all Nitya Srilinga Shabda only. But they get Iyang Uvang Adesha, right? So therefore they are denied what Sanya? Nadi Sanya. Am Pratyaya Pare, Niti Am Pare and Niti Pratyaya Parecha, Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati. That also you can note. That which is denied, a given and Vikalpa when am pratyaya pare vami and nit and va niti plus vascha. Right.
Here
Only
again
for
it is
sorry.
confusing. It is
What?
confusing. Shri Shabdaha Nadi Sanya Nityam Bhavati.
No.
But
Shri Shabda Nitya Strilinga Shabda. I said, not Nadi Sanya. Okay.
no, here in the table it's given no Sri
Where?
Shabdaha. Here 1, 2, 3, third line. Sri
Third line we have not
Shabdaha.
come yet. Okay. In second line.
Okay.
So Am Pratyaya is 6-3 and Ngit Pratyaya is 4-1, 5-1, 6-1, 7-1. In these 5 places, Shri Shabda, Di Shabda, etc. they get Nadi Sanya optional. Okay.
Mm.
So therefore, the point number 1 and 2 must be clear. With
Yes,
one
teacher.
for this Nitya Shrilinga, Gauri, Nadi, etc. Those Shabdas, and the other Shabdas are Shri, Di, etc. That is why Shabda Manjari, you will see these Shabdas are given separately, distinctly. Okay.
Yes.
And we are going to see some more Shabda also here. We will see. Okay. Then third point is Sri Shabda. What is the confusion? Sri Shabda is always Nitya
Always
Shrilinga, Nadi,
Nadi
Sangaka
Nadi,
Shabda.
Nadi Sanya.
In fact, this is
But-
straightforward. There's no confusion. Yeah.
No, when it gets young, Adesha,
Then also it
it's
gets Sri. Then also it's not denied Nadi Sangha. How?
Oh,
By the fourth sutra. Vikalpa is not there. Vikalpa is not there, that is different. By the fourth sutra, even though it gets Yanguvangadesha, Astri is here. Astri means this is not applicable. That is, which is denied, is not denied for Stri. What is denied? Adisanya is denied for those Shabdas which get Yanguvangadesha. Even though Sri Shabda gets Yangadesha, still Nadisanya is not negated. That is what Astri here. Na is Na Iyanguvang, that Na, the negation for the Shabdas other than Stri Shabda. That is why 2 negatives are there. Double negative, right? Double negative means what? It comes, it's positive, it comes to the third one, comes to third sutra, right?
Yeah.
Understand? Not clear.
So Na is there and Astri is there. Two
Ah.
negatives.
Na and Astri you connect. Astri means not Astri. Then Na means, then it is 3, back to 3.
Yeah.
Therefore, Stri Shabda is
Yanguvanga.
Nadi Sangaka Shabda only. Even though it gets Yangavanga Desha. Understand?
Yes.
Na Astri, you have to understand is Astri as not Na Astri. Na is negation. Negating for Yanguvang. And Sri Shabda is also getting Yanguvanga Desha. Then if Na is extended to this 3, then it's a problem. That is why Astri is given. It is Astri, not Stri. Excepting for Sri Shabda.
Okay.
So the Astri is always understood for all the other. Therefore, no Vikalpa also. Vami is there, Astri, excepting for Sri Shabda. It means Vikalpa not there for Sri Shabda when followed by Am Pratyaya, when followed by Ngit Pratyaya, right? So this is not applicable. Of course, 7th Sutra is not at all applicable. So only for 5 and 6. Vikalpa is not there by 5 and 6, and negation is not there by the 4th Sutra. 4th Sutra negates Nadi Sanya for the Shabdas which are eligible for getting Iyanguvang Adesha. So that is, negation is not applicable for Stri Shabda. And Vikalpa, which is ordained by 4th Sutra and 6th Sutra, that is not applicable for Stri Shabda. So Stri Shabda is always exempted. Marjayitva. Stri Shabda Marjayitva, Stri Shabda Marjayitva. Therefore, Nadi Sanya, Nityam, Nadi Sanyam, Nityam Bhavati. And 4th one is Rasvaikaranta, Ukaranta, Nitya Shrilinga Shabda, Denu, etc. Denu Mati, Nit Pratyaya Pare. They will not get Nadi Sanya by the main sutra, Striyakya Nadi. But they are given an optionality. They are given Vikalpa an optionality of Nadi Sanya when followed by Nit Pratyaya, Va Niti Prasprascha. Non-mandatorily, Vikalpa. So if it is not, then Shesho Gi Asaki, by that Gi Sanya it will enjoy. So you remember this example, then it must be clear. All those Shringa Shabda which are not Dhatuja, they come under the first category, Nadi Singha Shabda. Dhatuja only you have to see what will happen when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows. And here you can add Bru also. Bru, it is given very well in the Sutra itself. Achishtu Dhatu Bru also. So Shri, Di, then Ni, Bru, etc. All those Shabdas. So they are given, they don't enjoy Nadi Sanyaka Shabda by the third Sutra. Use Triyakya Nadi. Why? Because they get Yangvang Adesha. But what happens when Am Pratyaya or Git Pratyaya follows? These 5 places. Am is 6-3. Then Git Pratyaya is 4-1, 5-1, 6-1, and 7-1. So 4 plus 1, 5. These 5 places, it gets optional Nadi Sanya. Therefore, two forms you will have. One with Nadi Sanya, other with no Nadi Sanya. Nadi Sanya means for Am Pratyaya Pare, An Nadyaha will apply. An Nadyaha will apply. If it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, then just whatever it is to be done, you do it. But I mean, Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha will come, simple, right? So that is this Shabdas. Three Shabda, of course, always Strilinga, therefore, even though it gets Yang Adesha, that Yang Adesha you have to see. Top Pratyaya example I gave, that Yang Adesha it gets. What about Chaturthi Bhakti? 3 plus Nye. What is the form? 3 plus Nye is Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachana. It is always Strilinga Shabda, okay, followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. Therefore, Yang Adesha it gets. Even though it gets Yang Adesha, it is so the Nadi Sanya is not denied. That is understood, right? Therefore, 3 is Nadi Sanyaka Shabda plus Chaturthi Bhakti. It is Nye, right? Ye. Therefore, what will happen? 3 plus
So Ikara is replaced by E.
no.
Then Melanam.
An Nadyaha, Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, therefore, Atagama will come. Because Atagama comes, therefore, Atagama come, when it will come? Only when it enjoys Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, right? Only when it enjoys Nadi Sanyaka Shabda, Atagama will come. 3 plus, as we did for Shriyai, the first 3 plus A. 3 Shabda is Nadi Sanyaka Shabda. Therefore, Atagama will come. I. So 3 plus I. What will happen? Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Now you can apply the Striyaha Sutram 6479. Yang Adesha comes. 3 you get. Right? Therefore, 2 things happen. Okay, we will see that anyway. Let us not worry about it. Now we'll see. An Nadyaha applies. After that, Yang Adesha also applies. Therefore, 3 you get. Okay, that is Sri Shabda. Then Rasvaikara Dukaranta, Mati Shabda, Denu Shabda, all these Shabdas. And Sheshaha getting that Anuvritti Rasvaha, therefore Gisanya, and because of the word Sheshaha, Pullinga also is included. Okay. Ukta Danyaha. That's for Hari Shabda, etc. Sheshaha, Gi Asaki, excepting for Saki Shabda, which already we have seen Pullinga, Ikaranta Shabda. So, Ukta Danyaha, Sheshaha. Therefore, whatever has not been told, what are those Ukta Danyaha? That is what we saw in the Sutra, Sheshaha Gisaki. I think it's going to come here. Already covered, okay. Already covered. I myself already covered. Where it covered? In Pullinga context. Sheshaha Gi Sanyakaha Bhavati, Sake Shabdam Vajayitva. Kaha Sheshaha, what is that Sheshaha Ukta Danyaha? Rasva, Ivarna, Varnantam, Shabdarupam, Yat, Na Striyakyam Bhavati. Yasya Striyakyam Api, Na Nadi Sanyakam, Saha Sheshaha. those shabdas which are not, which are those shabdas which are Ivarna, Uvarna, Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta shabda, in a Striyakyam, that which are not Striyakyam Srilinga, which are not Srilinga, it means Asvaikaranta, Ukaranta shabda, which are not Srilinga means that they are not Adisangika shabda. Yasya Striyakyam api Nadisangikam na Sheshaha. This is Kashika Vritti. So meaning is, those shabdas which do not enjoy Nadisanya will get Gisanya. It means Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Strilinga shabda, Rasva Ikaranta, Ikaranta, Strilinga shabda, when followed by Ngit Pratyaya get Adisanya, right? What happens when followed by not a Ngit Pratyaya? Then what Sanya it enjoys? For example, Mati plus what do you say? Mati plus just, for example, Mati plus just, Uttama Bhakti Bhagavachanam. What is the form you get? Mati plus just. Just is not a, just is not a,
It's not Nit Pratyaya.
just is not a Ngit Pratyaya. Therefore, Mati will get Mate, Gisanya. Like Hari Shabda. Hari becomes Hare, right?
Yeah.
Arayaha, that's how you get Arayaha, right?
Arayaha,
Same thing here.
yeah.
Angit Pratyaya Pare. Similarly, Mati Shabda, not Ngit Pratyaya. Saptami Bhakti you take. What you get? What happens? Mati plus, okay. That's okay. I think that is fine. Not Saptami. Because Saptami Bhakti, we Ngit Pratyaya Pare, Vikalpena Bhavati. That's why Mato, Matyam, two forms you get. Two forms you get, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shas and Vos.
Yeah, those pratyas which are not Ngit Pratyaya. Therefore, we can take other pratyaya. As I said, just, out, etc. Mati plus au or out, what do you get? Not a Ngit Pratyaya, right?
Yeah.
So, therefore, Prathameva Purva Savarnaha, you can apply that. Yeah. So, that is the Sheshaha. Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Because Sheshaha is there, we can, and Rasva Ikaranta, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga Shabdas are also is there, right? And Saki Shabda is included in the Sutra. Therefore, Sheshaha means all the other Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda. Excluding Ikaranta, Ukaranta. Ikara, Ukaranta already covered. So what is not covered is Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda when followed by Ngit Pratyaya. That is not covered. That is Sheshaha. And Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabda as well as Napumsakalinga Shabda. That is not covered, right? And similarly, Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabda, which is given an optionality when followed by Ngit Pratyaya, right? If it is not Nadisanya, followed by Ngit Pratyaya, get Nadisanya optionally. If it is not given, then it will get Gisanya. In fact, that is the meaning, immediate meaning we derive. But other two meanings are, we have to analyze to understand. See, connecting the sutra number, two sutra, Shesho, Gi, Asaki, and the immediate preceding sutra, Ngiti Rasvascha. Va Ngiti Rasvascha ordains Adisanya optionally for Rasva, Ikaranta, Ukaranta. Let us take Trilinga Shabda, right? Right. Number 6, understand? Number 6. Now, if the Sheshaha will point out then, because it is Vikalpa, when it doesn't enjoy Nadisanya, then what Sanya it will enjoy?
Sanya.
That is the immediate meaning you get for Sheshaha, right? Rasva, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda, when followed by Ngit Pratyaya gets Nadisanya optionally. When it doesn't get Nadisanya, it will get Gisanya. That is the immediate meaning. But we cannot confine Sheshaha only to that. Then we don't need Sheshaha. Sheshaha means what has not been said above. So, and Rasvasya coming as Anuvritti. So, Rasva, because of Rasvaha, we have to include all the Rasvanta Shabda, all the Linga. Right? All the Linga. Nadi Sanya already defined only for Nitya Silinga Shabda only. Here, Nitya Silinga Shabda doesn't come as Anuvritti. It stops here. Right? Therefore, Shesha includes all the Linga. What stops from including all the Linga? Anything stops? No, right? It can refer to Srilinga, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga.
By the immediate, so connecting the immediate sutra, we understand that when followed by Git Pratyaya, as it gets Adisanya optionally, when it doesn't enjoy Adisanya, it enjoys Gisanya. That is number one. Number two, and it doesn't, the seventh sutra doesn't confine to Srilinga. It also includes Pullinga, Napumsakalinga. Therefore, Rasvaikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga Shabda also enjoys Gisanya.
Yes.
And another thing is what is left out is when followed by Giti Pratyaya, fine, is you're saying, but what about when followed by Angit Pratyaya, not Angit Pratyaya? For Rasva, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Srilinga Shabda, when followed by not Angit Pratyaya, that has not been told here. What Sanya did enjoy? Rasva, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Nitya, Srilinga Shabdasya, Ka Sanya Bhavati, Angit Pratyaya Pare, that also
Gisanya.
Nautaha. That also Gisanya. That is what Gi is. That's what Sheshaha is. Understand? The 3 points. Already we discussed. That is why already covered. Okay. In Pullinga context, we have seen. Asaki, of course, not accepting Saki Shabda. Saki Shabda, what a Sangha it enjoys? Gisanya. Saki Shabda doesn't enjoy Gisanya. If it enjoys Gisanya, then what will happen? Saptami, if you take, for example, Saki plus Jas, what do you get? Hari plus Jas, Hari become Hare because
Hariyaha.
Hareha Gisanya, therefore Guna happens, right? Okay, of course, the Jasicha, that sutra is there, or any other thing you take. Ge, Niti and all you can take. But Saki Shabda is accepting Saki Shabda, compare with Hari Shabda. Hari, Hareha. Hari Shabda, Pratama Vyakti, Hareha you can take. Hareha is Jasicha is applied. Jasicha also, if you take, as it has Anuvritti of, no, that is, I think, it doesn't have a Gisanya there. I should give another example. You can take Haraya, you can take Haraya, right? Haraya is Ger Niti. Gisanyakasya Angasya Niti Pratyaya Pare, or you can take Saptami Vibhakti, Acha Gege, Hari Shabda. Acha Gege, wherever Ge is that sutra, you have to consider, right? Ge Niti, Acha Gege, those sutras we saw in Hari Shabda. I hope you all remember. Okay.
Yes,
Ge Niti, Gi Sanyaka Angasya, Niti Pratyaya Pare, Gunaha Bhavati. Similarly, Acha Gege. Ge Acha Gege is Ikaranta Shabda replaced by that A, and then
the
Pratyaya will be replaced by Au.
Oh.
That's how you get Arau, Gurau, right? These are the Gi Sanyaka Karya. What about for Saki? Saki Shabda is
Sakyau.
take Chaturthi Bhakti. Chaturthi Bhakti. Saki plus Nye. Just simply Melanam. Sakya you get, right? Ikoyanachi.
Yeah.
If it is Gi Sanyaka Shabda, Saki will become Ger Giti will apply, right?
Yes.
Guna would have happened, then Sakaya you will get, but not Sakaya, like Hari Shabda. Haraye, Sakaya, no. Sakya is a form. That is why Saki Shabda is excluded. Asaki. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Saptami Bhakti, Achagege doesn't apply for Saki Shabda. If it applies, then you get Sakau, but that is not the form. Sakya is a form. Ikoyanachi. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So, therefore, the Sheshaha Gi Asaki. So, excepting for Saki Shabda. So by Saki Shabda itself, we can understand it. That is, this sutra includes Pullinga and all. Because Saki is Pullinga. And general confusion, what comes is, up to that we think about only Strilinga, because we have been discussing Strilinga. But the Strilinga, Striyakyo, stops here, 6, not for 7. 7th, therefore, Sheshaha is any Rastvaha, not only confining to Strilinga. Please note, okay? Confining to Strilinga, the immediate thing is when Strilinga, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, when followed by Nit Pratyaya, which is getting Vikalpa Nadi Sanya, when it is not, then Gi Sanya, number 1. When followed by Agit Pratyaya, that is number 2. That is for Strilinga. And because yes, Sri is not Anuvritti here, therefore we can include Rasva Ikaranta Pullinga and Napumsakalinga Shabda also. So that's the 3 points. Okay. If you understand there's 3 points, then Gi Sanya is understood. Therefore, Rasva Ikaranta Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Rasva Ukaranta Nitya Srilinga Shabda, when followed by Angit Pratyaya, gets Gi Sanya. When followed by Git Pratyaya, gets Gi Sanya. Vikalpena. When it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, Yada Nadi Sanya Bhavati, Tada Gi Sanya Na Bhavati. So Yada Nadi Sanya Na Bhavati, Tada Gi Sanya Bhavati. Okay. You put it together. Yada Nadi Sanya Na Bhavati, Tada Gi Sanya Bhavati. These 2 points for Strilinga. Then the third point is for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Those are the 3 points. Already covered, discussed, therefore not included here. This is what Sheshaha is. Uktat Anyaha. 3 things to be understood. Okay. Anyway, summary again it is here. You can see that summary. Then next one is Patihi. Patihi Samase Eva. What is Patihi Samase Eva? What is Anuvritti? Gi. Patihi Samase Eva. Pati Shabda in Samasa will be enjoying what Sanya?
Gi Sanya.
Therefore, it will be like what Shabda? Hari Shabda.
Harisha.
Because Hari Shabda is Gi Sanya ka Shabda, right? Therefore, Pati in Samasa. That for Ganapati, Sabhapati, Raghupati, etc. Suppose if it's not a Samasa, then what Sanya? Does it enjoy Gi Sanya? Right? Then what will happen to Chaturthi Bhakti, Pati and all? Pati plus
Yeah.
what will happen? Just do
Patye.
what Sandhi is that? Eco energy.
Koyana.
If it is Ki Sanyaka, then Pataya must have been come, right? But it is not. Because it is so Pati Shabda, in fact, it is straightforward. Nothing happens. Just Sandhi. Then Pati plus Saptami Bhakti. What do you get? Pati plus Au.
Patyo.
Patyav.
Ache Gege apply? No.
No.
If you apply Ache Gege, you will get Patau. It's just simply Patyo. That is eco energy. Right? Okay.
Out.
Out
Huh?
will
Out.
Sorry,
Out
okay.
only is 7th
Okay.
week.
Ni is replaced by Au. Even for Saki
Au.
also. Yeah.
Hmm.
For Ni also, it is Saki also it is replaced by Au. Out Sutra is that, yes. Out also is the same section only, yes. Okay. Then, therefore, Pati Samasa eva. So, if it is Samasa, then Pati Shabda is a part of the compound. Of course, it's Uttarapadam. That will be declared like Hari Shabda. So, Pati Shabdasya, Gi Sanyayam Siddhayam, Ayam Niyamaha Kriyate. This is the rule for Pati Shabda. What is the rule? Samasa eva Gi Sanyakaha Bhavati Pati Shabdaha. So, the word Pati qualifies for Gi Sanya by the preceding sutram. Now, it is restricting to only to Samasa, in the context of Samasa. And it's part of the Samasa. Right? This sutram restricting Gi Sanya for Pati Shabda to situations where Pati is a part of the Samasa. Pati Shabdasya Samasa eva Gi Sanya Bhavati na Anyata. Therefore, Shesho Gi Asaki Ityarena Pati Shabdasya Gi Sanyayam Praptayam Vartamana Sutrena Sa Niyamete. Therefore, this is a Niyamana Sutra restricting the Sanya Niyamana. Sanya is restricted to Pati Shabda only when it is a part of the compound. not otherwise. Pati shabdasya samasa eva gisanya bhavati. Kevala pati shabdasya na bhavati ityartah. Atah prajapati, bhupati, senapati etesham shabdanam gisanya bhavati. Parantu pati shabdasya gisanya na bhavati. Atah pati shabdasya rupani keshuchana staleshu munishabdat vidyante differs from ari shabda muni shabda. Pati plus gye. Atra gisanya na bhavati. Therefore gisanyayaha abhavat ger niti iti angasya gunaha na bhavati. Atah iko enachi iti sutrena enadesham krutva patyeti rupam. What about prajapati? Prajapati samase gisanya bhavati. Therefore arishabdavat ger niti will apply prajapate then echo yavayavaha prajapatege. Already we have seen this. Pati shabda we have seen. Prajapati we have not seen. Not required. Why? Because it's like arishabda. So that's why we have not seen all those the words separately. That is Pati, Uttarapada, Samasa, we have not seen because it is same as that of Harishabda. So therefore we don't have to see that separately. Only Pati Shabda alone to be seen already we have seen. Pati Saki. Okay, now the summary. The summary you see whether you understand or is it confusing. Okay, this I prepared when I was doing my class, the curriculum that time. Already summary, the 3 line summary is enough actually. But anyway, that is only for Gi Sanya. It's combining these both, Nadi and Gi. Please watch carefully. Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pratipadikam. Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pratipadikam. What Sanya it enjoys?
Nadi Sanya.
By what sutra?
Use Triyakyo Nadi.
Use Triyakyo Nadi. Also refer 3C. What is 3C? This is 1. Okay. Let us go 3 and see. 3. Excepting Stri Shabda. That is why 3C. Stri Shabda. 3C. Sorry. Yeah, 3C. Not here. Nitya Srilinga. Ikaranta Pratipadikam. Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pratipadikam. Which do not get Iyang Adesha, Vang Adesha. Alone will get Nadi Sanya. So this for Nadi Sanya to be understood with this sutra. Right? Understand? So what is Nadi Sanyaka Shabda? Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pratipadikam. Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pratipadikam. Which do not get Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. That enjoys Nadi Sanya. Right? Yes.
Yes.
Of course, exceptions are going to come. Then don't ask why Shri. It's going to come. Okay. So this statement is for what shabdas? Nadi, Gauri, right? Nadi, Gauri, Kumari, etc. Those shabdas. Understand the examples.
Okay.
Don't say Shri. Shri is getting Adesha. And it is Nitya Srilinga Shabda. This is what 3C, the point. Okay. Here, the word Nityam negates those words which are, that's the important of Nityam. Use Triyakyo Nadi, Nitya Srilinga, why we say? Because it is not said in the sutra. Is it in the sutra? No. Use Triyakyo, Akyo. That is what Nityam is. Because we are not including these, the other linga. It should be Nitya Srilinga. Swayambhu, Gramani, they are not Srilinga. They are not Srilinga. They are Pullinga. Therefore, they are also Ikaranta, Ukaranta, but they are not considered. Okay. Therefore, Nitya Srilinga. Stri Akyo Nadi. This is number 1. Nadi, Kumari, etc. Vadu, Lakshmi. This is point number 1. So, understand with...
This is for Shabdas which are not Dhatujas.
Which one?
First point is for Shabdas which are not Dhatuja.
Exactly. You can understand like that. Yes. They're not derived from the Dhatu. Yes. Number 2. Stri Shabda always enjoy what Sanya? Nadi Sanya. Only one Sanya it enjoys. There is no Vikalpa or there is no negation also. No negation, no vikalpa. Negation by the sutra na yang stanav, astri. Vikalpa by vami and niti rasvascha, right? That is not the first three shabda. Irrespective of yang adesha or am pratyaya or git following. You understand? You can understand. Three shabda enjoys nadi singha irrespective of yang adesha. Yang adesha is what sutra? Na yang stana was three, right? Am pratyaya is va ami. And git pratyaya is va giti rasvascha, right? This is number 2. Is it clear, Kameshwari? This is what your doubt, I think, asked. This is second point.
Yes, I understood clearly.
Yes. The summary, if you read after some time, you'll get may get doubt or you get confused. Now you understand based on what I have discussed. Now you follow that the same line. You will understand every point clearly. Some mistakes were there. I think I corrected in my summary. But if you happen to see any mistake, you can let me know. Okay. Now third point, accepting Stri Shabda. So you can include the Stri Shabda. No, it's not included at all. Therefore, other Shabda. Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam, which can get Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha. Will it get Nadi Sangya?
No.
No.
No, will not get.
What sutra negates? 143.
Na yang
Is it 143 or 144? 144.
144, I think. 143 is use 3 yoke.
Yeah, 144. So it means Nitya Srilinga Stri Shabda enjoys Nadi Sangya always, even though it gets Yang Adesha. See, why Stri Shabda should be included here? If it is not going to get Yang Adesha, right? Because it will get, therefore only it is included here. Right? That is why it is there. See, the Stri Shabda, when it is Nitya Srilinga Nadi Sangya Shabda, then by the previous sutra, right? And this sutra negates Nadi Sangya Shabda. And why it should be included here? Because it will get, right? That is the idea, right? Otherwise, why it should be included? That's what I have written here. Nitya Srilinga Shabda enjoys Nadi Sangya always, even though it gets Yang Adesha. But when it gets Yang Adesha, I mean the Srilinga Shabda, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, when it gets Yang Adesha, when Nadi Sangya is negated, that is not negated for Nadi Sangya, Sri Shabda. That is why it is included in the fourth sutra. Na Yang Vang Stana Vastri. Otherwise, what is the need for mentioning Astri, right? So therefore, you can understand this. Because it is mentioned, therefore it will get Yang Adesha. Stri Shabda, because Stri Shabda is mentioned in the sutra, therefore it gets Yang Adesha. Right? So in fact, it's a clue. It's a clue. So that is what the point number 3A, point 3A. Okay, then point number 3B. Other Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam, even though they are Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Shri, etc., still they will not get Adi Sangya. Why? Because they get Yang Adesha. They are eligible to get Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha, Shri, Bu, etc. Then, point number 3, 3C. Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam, therefore, which do not get Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha alone will get Adi Sangya. This is already we referred, right? So 143, use Triyakya Nadi, connecting with the next sutra, Na Yang Vastana, we can understand. So Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Ukaranta Shabda, which do not get Yang Vang Adesha alone, get Adi Sangya. As Stri Shabda always get Adi Sangya. That which gets Yang Vang Adesha do not get. Okay. So I think this must be very clear. This point 1, 2, 3, right? Number 4th point. Accepting Stri Shabda Marjagitva always. Other Ikaranta, Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam, which can get Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha, will get Nadi Sangya when Am Pratyaya follows. Right? So even though it gets Yang Adesha, Vang Adesha, but When am pratyaya follows, nadi sanya is ordained optionally. Vami. Therefore, what will happen? Nitya Shrilinga Stri Shabda. Here you cannot give an optionality to that. Because Stri Shabda is always nadi only, irrespective of getting Yanga Adesha. So irrespective of that the Vikalpa also. So here Vikalpa is done. That Vikalpa is not applicable for Stri Shabda. The first Stri Shabda is always enjoy Nadi Sanya and no Vikalpa. Number one. When Am Pratyaya follows also, it will enjoy Nadi Sanya only. I think the wording is correct. Okay. Number 4b. When Am Pratyaya follows, other Srilinga Ikaranta, Ukaranta, means he can take Dhatuja, which can get Yangavanga Desha respectively, will get Nadi Sanya optionally, which are denied by 144 is given an optionality. Therefore, they will have two forms in Shashti Bhakti, Shrinam, Shriyam. And number 5, accepting Stri Shabda. Other Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda, which can get Yangavanga Desha respectively, as well as Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta, Ukaranta, because of the word Rasvaha in the Sutra Vagniti Rasvascha. Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam will get Nadi Sanya optionally when Git Pratyaya follows. And this is Akadarat Eka Sanya. Therefore, only one Karya is possible at a time due to the Sanya. Nadi Sanya Bhavati Chet, Nadi Karya, Nadi related Karya. Anadhyaha, etc. Anadhyaha is only one sutra we have seen. The other sutra we are going to see. So Nadi is Sanya related Karya. If it is not, will it enjoy Gisanya? No, don't think that. Okay. If it is not, means it will, whatever general rule applies, that will apply. And here, Nitya Srilinga Sri Shabda always enjoy Nadi Sanya only. Therefore, Vikalpa is not there. This is A. And number B. Nadi Sanya, which was denied to Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta, Ukaranta Pradipadikam, which can get Yangavang Adesha. Now it given an optionality like a Vami only when Git Pratyaya follows. Then Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam Rasva will get Nadi Sanya when Git Pratyaya follows. Vikalpena. Vikalpena. Understand?
Yes, like Mati Dhenonda.
Yes. So Vangiti Rasvascha. So Vangiti Rasvascha, that sutra, that's Vangiti Rasvascha, that sutra ordains Nadi Sanya optionally to what? To
That's right.
then but tell anybody. Rasva?
That's why Ikara, Ukara.
Not only that. Even for please the 2 points are written here, right? Nadi Sanya, which was denied to Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam. Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam, which can get Yanga Nuvanga Desha, is given an optionality, option Nadi Sanya when Git Pratyaya follows. This is B is a part of the Sutra Vangiti Rasvascha. And C is completes that. Understand?
Yes.
Vangiti Rasvascha has got two things. It covers two, or you can say 4. That's why I said 4. Rasva Ikarantaha, Dirgha Ikaranta. Rasva Ukaranta, Dirgha Ukaranta. All are Srilinga. Rasva Ikaranta, Rasva Ukaranta, Nitya Srilinga Pradipadikam, when followed by Git Pratyaya gets Srilinga, Nadi Sanya, number 1. Dirgha Ikara, Dirgha Ukara, even though it gets Yangavanga Desha, they also will get Nadi Sanya optionally. Understand? 4
Yes, sir.
things are talked about. That is point number B and C of 5B and 5C. Understand? Is it clear or not? Vagiti Rasvascha. Just now we saw.
Yeah.
C. Va Niti Rasvascha, understand that clearly. Va Niti, what are the Anuvritti? Anuvritti is use Triya Kyo Nadi, right? You means
No,
Dirga
Ji,
Ikara Ukara coming as Anuvritti, yes or no?
Yes, Ji.
So
no.
Dirga Nova. Nova, why
Up
no?
to 6 only it is given. Oh,
This is 6.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, Ji.
You is Dirga Ikara, Dirga Ukara. Okay. And Rasvaha is also is. So what are the letters here? Ikara, Ikara,
Ukara,
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 Ukara. Four are there. Right? 4 possibilities. Among them, Rasva Ikara, Rasva Ukara, Shabda, when followed by Git Pratyaya, will get Nadi Sanya optionally.
Optionally.
Okay.
And Iyang Uvang is only for Dirga Ikara Ukara Adesha comes, right? Iyang Adesha Ukara Uvang Adesha, they get the Iyang Uvang Adesha only for they get only when Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows, that is Ajadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pare, Iyang Uvang Adesha comes only for Dirga Ikara, Dirga Ukara. That's why again the example, I told you to remember the example, Shri, Di, etc. Guru. So therefore, those shabdas which will get Iyang Uvang Adeshas, what shabdas? Dirga Ikara, Dirga Ukara. When Nit Pratyaya follows, they also will enjoy Nadi Sanya optionally. Therefore, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 is 2 Ikarantas. Ikara. I mean, Rasva and Dirga. 2 Ukara. That is Rasva and Dirga. Ukara. There is no question of, I mean, in this context, there is no question of Rasva Ikaranta Shabda Ukaranta Shabda getting Iyang Uvang Adesha. Because Iyang Uvang Adesha only for Dhatuja. They are all only for Shri, Di, etc. I don't know. That is, you will see the words ending with Ikara, Ukara. They get Iyang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. Right?
Yes.
In this context, you please remember, Dirga Ikara, Dirga Ukara, they get Iyang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. They alone we are to consider. Not as per the Sutram 6477. 6477 says, Achishno Dhatu Brumang, Iyang Uvango, it is for Ivarnanta Dhatu, Uvarnanta Dhatu, which includes all, right? But here, Iyang Uvang, we are talking about with regard to you. You means Ikara, Ukara.
Okay.
That's why I said Dhatuja. They are derived from Dhatuja. Shri Dhatu, from that we get Shri. Somehow we get Dirga, right? By Unadi Sutra, so Dirgatum happens. Similarly for the, etc. Ni itself the Dhatu. The Dhatu itself is having
Dirga.
Dirga Ikara. Okay. So 4 things you have to understand for Niti Rasvascha. Think. That is what I have given in this summary. Of course, this is not applicable for Stri Shabda. Enjoys Nadi Sanya always. So, therefore, including that, A, B, C. Now, combining B and C, it is given the D. Therefore, what happens? It means B and C. B and C is, what is B? Dirga, Ukara, Dirga Ukarata, Shrilinga, Nitya Shrilinga Shabda getting Iyang Uvang Adesha. That is B. And C is Rasva Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Shrilinga Shabda. Those enjoy Nadi Sanya and Gi Sanya, not simultaneously. Okay. Enjoy Nadi Sanya, enjoys either Nadi Sanya or Nadi Sanya, not and. Okay, at a time only one. And accordingly, Sanya based karyas can happen. When it enjoys Nadi Sanya, Gi Sanya karyas cannot happen. Similarly, when it enjoys Gi Sanya, Nadi Sanya karyas cannot happen. This is achieved by the Adhikar Sutra, Mahakadarat Eka Sanya. It cannot enjoy 2 Sanyas simultaneously. Understand?
Ji.
Okay. Akadarat eka sanya starting from 1.4.1 spread up to 2.2.38. Okay, art is only one sanya to a word. A word cannot enjoy two sanyas simultaneously. A word can enjoy particular sanya only by the latter sutra when it is a word is given a sanya by the preceding sutra. When a word enjoys two sanyas not simultaneously by optionality, there only sanya based karyas can happen. Okay, no two karyas can happen simultaneously, which leads to contradiction. Okay. Since two different karyas happen with the two different sanyas, therefore we will have two forms for pratipadikam. 41516171. That is when ngit pratyaya fall. This is by the sutra Vangiti Rasvascha. Two forms are there, right? Okay. Then last point, sixth point. Since Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta and Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam, Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam followed by ngit pratyaya, Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam followed by ngit pratyaya, which have been covered before. We see now. We are going to what we are going to talk about. You can guess. What is it we are going to talk about now? Point number 6.
Anit pratyay.
Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam. Right? Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam. Nitya Srilinga Ikaranta Pradipadikam. That is short. Bubble. Rasvaha. The Nitya Srilinga Ukaranta Pradipadikam. Nit Pratyaya, which have been covered before. Now. Now what is that we are going to talk about then? Now, what is left out is only pure Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pradipadikam of any gender, right? That is Sheshaha Giyasaki. That is what we're going to talk about. Because which has been covered before, already covered, then what is that we are going to talk about? We are going to talk about which is not covered. That which is not covered is Ukta Tanyaha Sheshaha, right? That is what is said here. What is left out is Rasvaikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam. What gender? Here, Striyakya doesn't come as Anuvritti. Therefore, it covers all the gender, including Srilinga. Right? Including Srilinga. So, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga as well as Srilinga.
Srilinga.
Srilinga, Ngit Pratyaya Pare, Nadi Sanya be told. So, Nadi, that Ngit Pratyaya leave it. Then what is left out? Agit Pratyaya. That is what Agit is there. This is the meaning of Shesho Kisaki. I think the summary is good. We know how much thought would have come in. I mean, not thought, to put it in writing. You have to understand the sutra clearly. This is done during the course time. I thought this is better. That even though it's a repetition actually. Already summary is given. I think one more summary is going to come or given. Even though it's a repetition, but since it is in word form, that's why okay, let it be the Punarukti dosha. It doesn't matter. That's why I included this also in the notes.
It's essay type question, Sharanji.
Sorry?
It's essay type question.
See, already this point, all these things are discussed in the summary, right? But still it is there. Okay. Second time you read, you'll understand this, if not first time. Point number 6. So point number 6 is Shesho Gi Asaki. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So that's what Sheshaha. Sheshaha covers everything, all the linga, including Srilinga. How do you say Srilinga? When followed by Agit Pratyaya. Srilinga, Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam do not enjoy Nadi Sanya. Does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? No. Right? But when followed by Agit Pratyaya, yes, it enjoys Nadi Sanya.
Correct. Yes,
Then what about when Agit Pratyaya follows? That comes under Gisanya. That's what Sheshaha. Even for Srilinga Shabda, even the Srilinga Shabda is covered by the sutra and given a sanya, Gisanya, when Angit Pratyaya follows, not Angit Pratyaya, right? And except Saki Shabda already we have Pullinga Shabda, other Ikaranta Pradipadikam, Ukaranta Pradipadikam of any gender, which did not get Nadi Sanya will get Gisanya. That is, Alikaranta Ukaranta Pullinga Pratipadikam, Alikaranta Ukaranta Napumsakalinga Pratipadikam. They don't get Nadi Sanya, right? They are not ordained Nadi Sanya by any sutra. Therefore, they will get what Sanya? Gisanya.
These-
Number one. Number two, Tasvaikaranta Srilinga, Ukaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam, followed by Agit Pratya. That is also Sheshaha, Uttadanyaha. Therefore, they will not get Adi Sanya. Therefore, what Sanya it will get? Gisanya.
Listen.
Number three, that's Ikaranta Ukaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam. Since they get optional Adi Sanya followed by Git Pratyaya, right? Since they get Nadi Sanya followed by Git Pratyaya. Optionally. So when doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, they will enjoy Gisanya. That is also Sheshaha. When it is not given Nadi Sanya. The reason, as already stated, it cannot enjoy two Sanyas simultaneously. This is what the Sheshaha means. Therefore, what is Sheshaha? Rasvaikaranta Pullinga Pratipadikam. Rasvaikaranta Pullinga Pratipadikam. Rasva Ikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam when followed by not a Git Pratyaya. Similarly, Ukaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam when followed not by a Nit Pratyaya. And Ikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam enjoy Nadi Sanya optionally when followed by Git Pratyaya. And Ukaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam enjoy Nadi Sanya optionally when followed by Nit Pratyaya. Right? So these 2 points are covered by Shesho Gisaki. These 2 points are covered, that also covered by Shesho Gisaki. Rasvaikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam enjoys Nadi Sanya optionally. This is by Niti Rasvascha.
Okay.
Because optionality is there, therefore Sheshaha covers. When it doesn't enjoy, here we have to understand, when it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, enjoys Gisanya. Enjoying Nadi Sanya optionally, Rasvaikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam enjoy Nadi Sanya optionally when followed by Git Pratyaya. I think this wording I can put it a different way. Sheshaha means Rasvaikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam enjoying it Nadi Sanya optionally. Nadi Sanya optionally. Enjoying Nadi Sanya optionally when followed by Git Pratyaya. Okay, I have to write it. Svikaranta Srilinga Pratipadikam. Enjoying Nadi Sanya optionally when followed by Git Pratyaya. And when it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, okay, then only it will get Gisanya. That's what Sheshaha is. Okay, this is to be written. This,
No, by default, Gisanya also will be there. That is
yeah. When it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, then only Gisanya. I have to mention that.
Nadi Sanya Abhave, it gets Gisanya.
Yeah, that I will write here within bracket. Okay.
That optionally is given means Gisanya also will be there.
Okay,
That is
if
the main.
you understand like that, it's okay. But since we know Akara Reka Sanya, therefore we know only one Sanya at a time. Okay. Let it be like this. So this is what Sheshaha is. Finally, Sheshaha, Gi as a key. Okay.
Maybe Napumsakaliga also comes.
Of course. Rasvikaranta, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga also. All Linga. Okay. That is also covered, yes. In fact, Sheshaha, all the Lingas. Strilinga when Agit Pratyaya follows. Right? Okay. So one thing is very clear. By saying this, what is that? It is Isanya is only for Rasva. right? Not for Dirgha, right? Gisanya is for
Okay.
only Rasvanta Shabda, not for Dirgha. Dirgha will get what Sanya? General is Nadi, with exception of course, exception na Yangavang, right?
Yeah.
All Rasvanta Shabda will enjoy only. They only have the eligibility to enjoy Gisanya.
Okay.
Similarly, Dirgha, Ikara, Ukara alone and have the eligibility to enjoy Adisanya.
Gisanya.
Therefore, Dirgha, Ikara, Ukara cannot enjoy Gisanya, right? Similarly, Rasva, Ikara, Ukara that can enjoy Gisanya because Vagiti Rasvascha by that sutra. So that we cannot say. Okay. Now let us. This is the introduction to the Sanya. The Sanya should be understood based on the Sanya related sutra we are going to see. Anyway, Ikaranta, Ukaranta Shabda we are going to see later. So in my notes I have given Rama Shabda first. So you remember this, you see the applicability later. Why Rama Shabda I given? It starts with an alphabetical order. That's the reason. There is no other reason. Or we can see Ikaranta also first, and then Ukaranta, and later Akaranta Shabda. Okay. Anyway, now this is the Sanyas are discussed, and Sanya related Karya, and of course other sutra we are going to see. After that, we'll apply whatever we have learned. Okay. So need to remember all these things. The application is going to come later. Maybe next class we will do Akaranta Shabda, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, all those Shabdas. The next sutra. Now we are going to see the Karya, Angakarya related sutra. Aungaha Apaha. You remember Aungaha? What is Aungaha? How and out are
When
called?
the out are called Aung.
It is Prachina Sanya. Some like Sanya by Prachina Acharya.
Okay.
Aungaha means you have to understand. How and out. 1, 2 and 2, 2. Apaha is Aungaha we saw in the context of
Napumsakalinga.
Apumsakalinga is replaced by she, we saw, right? Aungaha
Yeah.
she. Now Apaha is Abanta. Refers to Strilinga Pratyaya. Content of the Pratyas Tap, Chap, Dap. Strilinga Pratyaya. So Ap is the content of the Pratyaya. Strilinga Pratyaya, we have 6 Strilinga Pratyaya. Neep, Neesh, Neen, whose content is E. Chap, Dap, Chap, what did I say? Top, chap, dap. Okay, top, chap, and dap. Okay, whose content is A. So therefore that is Apaha. So Abanta, Srilinga Pratyaya, we have to understand. Abanta means Srilinga. Ut Angad, Uttarasya, Aungaha, Sthane, Shi iti ayam adesha bhavati. Aungaha. It is Angasya Adhikara. 641 is Angasya. So Angasya. So Abanta, Apaha is, we have to make it as Abantat Panchami. Avantat Uttarasya Abantat Uttarasya Aungaha. Abantat Angat, you have to make it. The Angasya Adhikara. So Anga ending with Ap. So therefore Uttarasya Pratyasya Aungaha. Aungaha is a Pratyaya referring to out and out. Therefore it is replaced by she. Therefore Abantadangat Uttarasya Aungaha Sthane Shi iti ayam adesha bhavati. Abantadangat parasya au out tatyoho Shi adesha bhavati. Au and out are replaced by she when following Avantanga. Prarambe yasmin sutre prayuktanam padarthanam artham janimaha. Avantaha ityukte ap. Yasya ante asti saha. Ap avantaha. Ap iti swayam kashchana pratyaya nasti. There is no ap pratyaya. It means it's referring to Tap, Chap, Dap, Dietesham, Trayanam, Pratyayanam, Grahanam Kriyate, Srilinga Pratyaya. It is in 4th chapter. Striyam adhikare vartate. They will see that finally Stri pratyas. Ete trayah Stri pratyaha santi. Ataha abanta shabdah ityukte sah shabdah yasyante top, chop, da pratyaha asti. That is the meaning. Similarly, ni anta is nish, neen, neep, antaha. Therefore, sarve akaranta Srilinga shabdaha anena grigyante. So all these Srilinga akaranta shabda we can include. Abanta. Aungaha iti yukte we know. Out and out. Pratama dvivachanasya, dvitiya dvivachanasya pratyasya anena granam kriyate. Ayam api swayam rupena pratyaha nasti. Aungaha referring to out and out. केवल दयोः प्रत्ययोः निर्देशार्थम् अस्य निर्देशः कृतः अस्ति. Okay. She iti ayam adeshah proktah asti. She is just an adesha. Anekalshit sarvasya. But here out and out, only one it is there. Anyway, that shakara is it anekalshit sarvasya. It's sutrena sarvadesha bhavati. Therefore, anekalshit sarvasya. Shakara is not it letter here. Please note. I think we have seen this before. It is shakara is not it. If it is it, it is only ekal, right? Why it is not it? Shakara is not it. To be a it, it has to come under the it prakaranam. That's be a part of the pratyaya. It is not yet. It is the adesha. When it is replaces, then it becomes a pratyaya. Then shakara becomes it. Then lashakadadite will apply, right? Understand? Already we discussed in some other context this. In what context it is? I don't know which context I have seen this.
Chakara something.
In Napumsakalinga, some context we have discussed. Lashakadadite maybe. In Napumsakalinga, I think. Anyway, she iti ayam adeshah rupena proktah asti anekalsya sarvasya iti anena. The question comes, why it is, how it is aneka adesha? Shakara is it letter? No. As adesha, it is not it. As pratyaya, it is it. Only when it replaces how and out, then enjoys pratyaya sanya, then only shakara is it. Then only it is ekal. But now it is not ekal. It is anekal. Therefore, anekalsya sarvasya ityanena sarvadesha bhavati. Sarvadesha is entestani. Entestani is also only ekal. She iti atra prarambe itsanyaka nasti. Therefore, lashakadadite ityanena kevalam. Why? Because pratyayadista eva shakarasya itsanya bhavati nahi adeshasya, right? Lashakadadite is anuvritti of pratyaya. Pratyayasya shaha, this pratyayasya adihi shaha, from that coming as anuvritti. So it should be a part of the pratyaya. And that too at the beginning of the pratyaya. That's very important. Adi, pratyayasya adi shakarasya itsanya bhavati. Here it is not a pratyaya, it is an adesha. But when it replaces over and out, it becomes pratyaya. Stanivat bhavati. Ataha out and out iti etayoho stane prarambe she iti adesha bhavati. Tataha then stanivat bhavat she ityasya pratyasanya bhavati. Then it gets pratyasanya. Then we can apply lashakadaditya and remove shakara. Right? Therefore, content is E. Therefore, idanim sutrasya artaha spashtaha syat akaranta Srilinga shabdat parasya pratama dvivachana pratyayoho she adesha bhavati. Right? So Rama plus or Mala plus out or out. What do you get? Let's she adesha, content of she is E. Therefore, Mala plus E. Aungaha apaha by that she adesha. Therefore, you get E. Therefore, Mala plus E is
Male.
Mala plus E is Male. What sandhi it is? Punasandhi. Do we apply Pratamayoho Purvasavarnaha? Pratamayoho Purvasavarnaha?
You cannot do because it's not.
It is not. Why? What prevents from Pratamayoho Purvasavarnaha? What is Pratamayoho Purvasavarnaha says? When Ak, Anga, right? Ak followed by ach, right?
Yeah.
Ak letter, that is ak, anta, anga, followed by the ach. Then purva parayogastane, followed by the pratyaya beginning with ach. Okay. Akanta pradipadikam. Ak means a, e, uru, everything included. Of course, nadichi excludes that. You know the apavada. Akaranta shabda, rama shabda, we have seen, right? Nadichi. So, akanta pradipadikam and followed by ajadi vibhakti pratyaya, purva parayogastane, purva savarna dirgha adesha bhavati, right? Yes or no? Purva. Pratamayoho purva savarna. What does it say? Pratamayoho purva savarna.
Well,
But akvarna anga, the pradipadikam followed by Pratama and Dvitiya vibhakti, ajadi vibhakti pratyaya follows. Then purva parayogastane, purva savarna dirgha adesha bhavati, right?
hmm.
Then what? Why don't we apply here that Pratamayoho purva savarnaha? Because here aungaha apaha she is there. Pratamayoho purva savarnaha is what karya? Sandhi karya.
Sandhika.
And here what karya it is?
Angakarya.
Anga.
Which one you will do first?
Anga first.
Angakarya is first. So you have to do Angakarya. So once you do Angakarya, now Angakarya is how and out are replaced by she. Content is E. Now followed by what pratyaya? Followed by mala plus E. Mala plus E. Now it is pratyaya is E. Then what happens here? Anga ending with Akara followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya.
So Guna Anga Karya.
Therefore, Mala plus Sandhi Karya will happen now. So for Mala plus E, Male, you get it. Mala plus E, Male. Lashakadadita iti sutra Shakara se Iksanya Bhavati, then Adgunaha is applied. Therefore, you get Male, right? Then here one thing is, sorry, this is that's what I'm saying. This is also Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, right? Yes or no? So
Yes.
Akvarnat Uttarasya Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya. He also gets Pratyaya status, right? He
Yeah.
also gets Pratyaya. Therefore, Pratamayoho purva savarna if you apply, it can't be applied. A plus E becomes, both are replaced by A, right? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Mala, it should be then.
Actually Mala. If you apply, then you will not get Male. How you say Male? Why don't we apply Pratamayoho purva savarna? What prevents when Pratamayoho purva savarna apply? See, in the beginning I said, okay, Angakarya is first. Therefore, Angakarya we do. That is, Pratyaya is replaced by she. But still it continues Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya only, right? Whether it is au or out or E, doesn't matter, right? Continues. Doesn't matter means Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya only. So when Akvarna is followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, Akvarnanta Anga followed by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, then Pratamayoho purva savarna should apply. Purvasya Savana Dirgha Adesha Bhavati. Mala plus E should become A plus E should be again Mala only. But what prevents it? What prevents that? Already we have seen. We have seen. I think we have seen. That is the very next sutra. Dirghat Jasicha. Please see the sutra patha. Dirgha Jasicha. Have you seen Dirgha Jasicha? Maybe not.
I don't think so. Okay.
Maybe not. I think that way. Dirgha. The 6-1. The sutra just.
105.
Yeah. Nadechi. From that. Coming as Anuvrutti. That. Here. Yeah. Now coming as Anuvrutti for this. Dirgha Jasicha. Na bhavati. What na bhavati? Pratamayoho purvasvara. What is dirgha? Dirgha is our dirgha. Mala dirgha.
Hmm.
Dirghat jasicha. Okay. Therefore, pratamayoho purvasvara will not apply. The first reason I told here it should not apply because it is getting Shia Desha. After getting Shia Desha again, the applicability is that is denied by Dirghat Jasicha. So here I will write Dirghat Jasicha iti anena sutrena purva savarna dirghadeshaha Shidya adgunaha iti gunadesha bhavati. Then what is Dirgha Jasicha? That is given here. Understand? So what is Dirgha Jasicha? Now question comes. So you have to understand what is Dirgha Jasicha. So Dirgha Jasicha says Dirgha Swara, Mala, Rama, Dirgha Swara. So Pratamayoho, Pratama Dvitiyoho, each varne pare, Nadichi, from that coming as Ichi coming as Anuvritti. Dirgha Jasicha, Chakarat, for Dirghat Jasicha. So Dirghat and Jasi, Dirgha is Dirgha Pratipadikam. And you have Anuvritti of Jasi as well as from the previous sutra, Ichi also. Nadichi. Understand? From Nadichi, Na coming as Anuvritti, Dirghat, Na Bhavati. What Na Bhavati? Purvasvara Dirgha Desha Na Bhavati. When followed by what? Ichi as well as Jasi.
Okay.
Ichi as well as Jasi. Dirghat Jasicha. Ijadi. That is out and out or E. In our context, it is E only. We have replaced that by E. Then Ijadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows. Ichvarne pare tata Pratama Bhagavachana se just Pratyaya pare. Pratama Vyakti just Pratyaya pare. 1-3. Purvasva. Then Pratamayoho Purvasvarna iti arena Purvasvarna Dirgha na bhavati. So this sutras Dirgha Jasicha restricts or exempts the Purvasvarna Dirgha happening. Then what will happen? When Purvasvarna Dirgha will not happen, then Guna Sandhi will happen. Right? Mala plus A, Mala plus E, Mala you get. Now,
So this
Dirgha
is
Jasicha.
Nishedha Sutra, no, sir? Then
This is
Dirgha-
Apavada Sutra. Yes. Yes. Restricts. Restricting. It's not restricting. It's the accepting.
Nishedha. Okay.
Nisheda. Not restricting. Exempting. It is Nisheda. It's Apavada Sutra. Dirgha Jasicha. When Dirgha Swara is followed by just Pratyaya 1-3 and Pratyaya of Pratama and Dvitiya Bhakti that begins with the letter, each Pratyaya. Then the Purvasvarna Dirgha mandated by Pratamayoho Purvasvarna will not happen. This was an Apavada. Apavada to Pratamayoho Purvasvarna.
Okay.
So Akvarnat Pratama Dvitiya Vyaktehe Ajado Pratyaya Pare Pratamayoho Purvasvarna Ityarena Purvaparyoho Yaha Purvasvarna Dirgha Deshaha Vidiyate Tasya Nishedaha Bhavati. Ayam Nishedaha. So Pratamayoho Purvasvarna states that Ajadi Vyakti Pratyasa Pratama Dvitiya when it follows Ak letter, Akvarnanta Pratipadikam, both the Purva and Parar will be replaced by the long form of the preceding letter. That is Pratamayoho Purvasvarna. Nadichi states that when Ijadi Vyakti Pratyaya follows, which is a subset of Ach, then Ijadi Vyakti Pratyaya Pratama and Dvitiya following the Avarna. Avarna is only the what?
Rasva Akara.
Is only Rasva Akara. Rasva, I should say Rasva. Rasva Akara is better, not Avarna. Because Rasva Akara says that Nadichi, right? Na At is Akara. Akara or Akara? It's Avarna. Okay, I think not Rasva. It is for the
Varna will include both Rasva.
both.
and
Yeah, Nadichi. I think it includes both. Avarna, it includes both only. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. It should be Avarna. It's correct only. Sorry. I remember Rama Shabda, that's why I made it Avarna. Yeah, it includes both. Avarna. Because na at ichi. At is so for Avarna. Then both the preceding succeeding will not be replaced by the long. Now, this sutra, Dirgha Jasicha, extends the negation. So this is negation.
Okay.
Atidesha of the Apavada. Apavadasya Atidesha, extending the negation. For Dirgha Swara also. For Dirgha Swara. See, Dirgha Swara when followed by Ijadi Bhakti Pratyaya. Dirgha Swara, it includes also not only E, U, etc. also. That is why this Avarna is here. Okay, that's why I got confused. Avarna means I made it as Akara because Dirgha is there. But
Yeah.
Dirgha includes other letters also, not only Akara, not only Avarna, right?
Okay.
E, U, etc.
Ruler.
Yeah. So Dirgha letter. When followed by Jadi Bhakti Pratyas of Pratama and Ditiya. Also, it negates the Adesha of Puruswara Dirgha for 1-3. So Dirgha Varnat Ityukte, yes, here it, see, it's very clear. Dirgha Varnat Ityukte Akarat. For Akara. Nadichi we saw in the context of Akara, Ramashabda. Now Dirgha is means Akarat, not only Akara, Ikara, Ukara, everything. So Pratama Dvitiya Bhakte Ijado Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Tata, that is over and out. Ijadi Bhakti Pratyaya is over and out. And just Pratyaya Pare, Puruswara Dirgha na bhavati. Therefore, Mala plus, the same example. Mala plus Shi, then Mala plus E, then Male by Adgunaha.
Sir, excuse me. In Nadichi also, Avarnat he has given. Prathama
Yes.
Dvitiya each varane pare.
Hmm.
So Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha Ityanena Purva Savarna Dirgaha na bhavati. So here also both Hrasva and Dirga will be there in Nadichi.
Here also,
Anga should have the Avarnat like that he has given. So Hrasva and Dirga will be there for the Anga ending, no? Nadichi Sutrartha is Nadichi Sutrartha.
Nadichi for Avarnanta. Yes.
Avarnat. So Avarnat.
Nadichi for Akara and Akara. Followed
So-
by Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, which includes, of course, Srilinga also.
Yeah.
Srilinga Akara also it's included. Okay. Then
Pratame-
Dirgha.
each varane pare
Hmm.
Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha Ityanena Purva Savarna Dirgaha na bhavati.
Hmm.
So here also we should include Hrasva and Dirga, I'm telling. This thing,
Where?
Nadichi also.
Ah.
Angam should have Hrasva or Dirga.
Of course, yes, that's why Avarna. I said
Okay.
Avarna, not Akara.
Okay.
Nadichi says for Avarna. Avarna is Akara as well as Akara. That's why I
Okay.
corrected and then I corrected back. What I wrote was correct only. Here, I made it into, first I thought it is Rasva, then no, it's Avarna because it includes both. It's
Yes.
Akara as well as Akara, Nadichi. Okay, maybe you can ask this question. For this particular Shabda, Akara and the Shabda, why don't we apply Nadichi? Why should you apply Dirgha Jasicha? That you can ask, right?
Yes, Ji.
Understand.
Correct. So it looks like same only, both.
No, it looks same for only Avarna. Dirghat by saying Ikara, Ukara, Rukara also included.
Oh, okay.
That is why it's given Dirgha Varna Tityukte Akara. This part is common, Nadichi and this. But what about Ikara, Ukara, Rukara? This is not covered by Nadichi, right?
Okay.
Therefore,
So
Dirgha Varna is there.
So only that extended part is there, I think.
Yeah,
No?
yes, extended for Ikara, Ukara, Rukara.
Okay.
Akara already covered by Nadichi. Then question comes, why don't you apply Nadichi? Simple, Paratvat. You can
So
say
this
Paratvat.
is Atidesha Sutra also, then Dirgha Jasicha. Because extension is also there.
Extension is there for the other Anta also, other Dirghas also. Ikara, Ukara, Rukara. Extending the negation.
Yeah.
for the other Shabda, other Dirgha Shabdas. Now, the question may come, why don't you apply Nadichi? Simple is, this is later, that's why this is applied.
Oh, Paraswara.
Therefore, only I said for all our practical purposes, Nadichi is applied for Rasvakaranta Shabda. That is what there in my mind always. So that is why I try to correct Avarna to Rasva. Because we are not going to apply Nadichi other than Rasvakaranta, Rama Shabda, for example. For all the Dirgha, we are going to apply only 105, Dirgha Jasicha.
Okay.
Even though here Nadichi can apply, but this sutra is Dirgha Jasicha, it's Paratvam, right? Parasutra. Therefore, that's text precedence.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's why I programmed my mind. Nadichi is only for Rasvakaranta. For
Okay.
all other things, Dirgha Jasicha will take care. Okay.
Okay, ji, got it.
That is how I understood in the beginning. So my understanding is still there. And anyway, that's why I tried to correct also. Anyway, so therefore here Akara is the reason for applying Dirgha Jasicha is it is Paratvam. Nadichi also same thing you get. That's what he says here. You can see Ad Gunaha Ityanena Gunadesha Prapte. See, you see the first is A plus E Gunadesha Prapte. That is negated by Yugapateva Pratameva Purvasavarnaha iti Purvastavana Dirgha Prapte. Pratameva Purvasavarnaha is applied. That is, but Dirgha Jasicha Sutram Ityanena Purvasavarna Shedaha Bhavati. See, Ad Gunaha is negated by Pratameva Purvasavarnaha. Pratameva Purvasavarnaha is negated by Dirgha Jasicha. Therefore, what will apply? Back to square one, Ad Gunaha. Right?
Okay.
Understand? Asana Nambi Purushana Kaivudu, Asana Charinan to back to Purusha on the Kannada. Okay. So back to Ad Gunaha. Nothing works, you come back. Right? In India, one cannot sell oneself, get employment. Therefore, he goes to US. There also you could not get. Have to come back to India and get a job. Therefore, Ad Gunaha back. That applies. Here only you need to note a point. Here Nadichi also applicable. Paratvat, this 61105 applies.
Okay.
But in our mind, we can keep Nadichi for all our practical purposes. It's only for Rasva Akaranta.
Okay.
By saying Dirgha, why is saying Dirgha? By saying Dirgha, he can cover Ikara, Ukara, Rikara also. That is why he intelligently put Dirgha.
Okay.
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 Then Nadi plus out, Ikaranta Shabda. What will happen here? Will it get Shi Adesha? No. Aungaha Apaha only. Only for Abanta. This is not Abanta. This is in fact Neep. Therefore, you will not get. And what you will do? Prathama Yoga Purva Savarnaha? No. Dirgha Jasicha will dismiss that. Right? Dirgha Jasicha will dismiss Prathama Yoga Purva Savarnaha. So you have to do like this. Iko Yanachi iti Prapte, that is denied by Purva Savana Dirgha, that is denied by Dirgha Jasicha, therefore back to Iko Yanachi.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Finally, Iko Yanachi only will apply. What else? So Nadi plus Av is Nadyo. But you have to say this actually. This is the right way of doing. Iko Yanachi is dismissed by Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha. Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha is dismissed by Dirgha Jasicha. Dirgha Jasicha just dismisses. Doesn't do anything else. Doesn't add in any Adesha. Therefore, back to N Sandhi only, Iko Yanachi. So Nadyo. Similarly, Mala plus Jas, example for Jasicha. Mala plus Jas, what will apply generally? A plus A is Akastavane Dirgha. No, that is denied. That is denied by Pratamayoga Purvastavanaha. That is denied by Dirgha Jasicha. Therefore, what you will apply now?
Akasavarne Dirgha.
Therefore, therefore 61104. 61104 is Nadichi. Nadichi. This is Akaranta, Avarna. So 61110 is Akastavane Dirgha. That is denied by Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha. And Pratamayoga Purva Savarnaha is denied by Nadichi. And Nadichi is denied by Dirgha Jasicha. Not denied actually, Paratvam.
Okay.
Here is Akaranta Shabda, right? Akaranta Shabda, Avarnanta Shabda. So therefore 61104 or 61105 both covers this possibility, right? But
Yeah.
Paratvat 61105 is applied.
Okay, okay.
61105 is denied. Apply means denied. 61105 denies the Purvasavana Dirghaha. Applying and then denying. Understand? Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, you have to apply 61107 only back to the square one. Understand? First, what is negated, you come back, arrive at the same thing. Follow what I'm saying?
Got it.
Akastavani Dirgha is negated by,
Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha.
because the
That
sutra is
is-
Dirgha Jasicha. Dirgha Jasicha is, this sutra just denies, okay, doesn't ordain anything, just denying the ordaining of Purvasavana Dirgha Desha. 61102 is Purvasavana Dirgha, Pratamayo Purva Savarnaha, that is denied. Therefore, we have to apply then
Nadichi.
Nad, I mean, apply means by Nadichi, Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha is dismissed, but there is an overlap of there's the
These two. Parasutra.
Akara followed by Nadichi and Dirgha Jasicha. We apply Jasicha, Dirgha Jasicha, not Nadichi, because that is Paratvam. So 61105, that denies the application of 61102, that is Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha. So now all these are only for dismissal. Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha. After dismissing, what will happen? Then what is Utsarga? Now back to the square one. 61101 is what is denied, and is what is denied by this, and that itself is denied. Therefore, 61101 is not denied. Therefore, that is applied. Okay. That which denies is denied, then means what? Utsarga will apply.
Yeah.
Understand the logic?
Yes.
Therefore, 61101. Therefore, Akastavani Dirgha will apply.
This is for only just, not for.
Only for just. Dirgha Jasicha. Dirghat. Please note, Dirghat. Just following the Dirgha. Dirgha means Ikara, Ukara for all. Okay.
Oh, okay. So here Mala Dirgha is there, therefore that Parasutra also included 61105. If it was Rasva means no need of that this thing.
If it is Rasva, then what will happen? If it is Rasva,
Dirgha Jasita will
this will not apply at all. Dirgha Jasita will not apply at all. If it is Rasva, Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha will apply by, that is 6102 will apply. Ramaha you will get.
Yeah.
Because that is not dismissed by any of the sutra. Nadichi only for Ijari Bhakti Prataya Pare, and 61105 only for the Dirgha Pratipadikat. Rama is not Dirgha. Therefore, Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha only will apply. 61102 only will apply. For Rama Shabda, I'm saying. Okay.
Yeah.
For Rama Shabda, 61101 is applied. For that, we have to consult all the sutras. Starting from this, which is denied by the following, the sutra. So, because it is denied, and that which denies also denied by this sutra, right?
Yeah.
So, therefore, back to the square one. 101 is applied. Akastavani Dirghaha. When
Yes.
what denies itself is denied, then what will happen? You get that the first one.
Yeah.
Akastavani Dirghaha. Therefore, Mala plus Jas is Mala, then Satsajishwarugu, then Rupam. Okay. Similarly, Nadi plus Jas. Nadi is a good example. Ikara is that.
Yes.
What will happen? Nadi plus us. Can you apply Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha? No. Cannot apply. First, can you apply Ikoenachi? No. You have to apply Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha. But can you apply Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha? No. Why? Dirgha Jasicha. Dirgha Jasicha denies, right? Therefore, what will happen? Dirgha Jasicha is denied. Therefore, back to Ikoenachi.
Oh.
Right? Therefore, Nadhyaha you get. Nadhyas, then Nadhyaha. Ikoenachi denied by Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha. Pratamayahu Purva Savarnaha denied by Dirgha Jasicha. Therefore, Ikoenachi is applied. Okay, Suti Kachalangada down. Okay, I think we'll stop here. We'll see this. Continue next class. The Dirgha Jasicha. Important.
Okay.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om ధన్యవాదాలు.
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 ధన్యవాదాలు శివాంజీ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.